for payment of monetary relief.
Sir, mate ye annexer ago dekhebe ni. I hid annexer.
Sorry, sir. The annex for payment of
you always start with what is this?
for payment of money.
Dui line re kon?
Monetary relief under the Victim Compensation Act. OP3 collector under annexer pose as
Victim compensation for what?
Compensation Act. He is a
What is the victim? What is the victim for what?
He is a victim under Sector 376.
I am section jani ni. The 3 section. Mote kon victim pura kon hela kon? Story.
Is due to rape. The affair was lost.
Affair
was lost. Now it is investigated. Under the
without under investigation.
Many investigation completed, charge sheet filed. The collector sent a proposal to government for payment of monetary benefit under victim compensation in the year 2021.
Apply kale government.
That collector has recommended. That 2021 still pending. Government is not approving the money. Page 20. That's why.
Give a copy.
My lord.
Land Council for the state director to take instruction. Returnable on 4th September.
Obliged.
Let him take instruction.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Victim compensation scheme collector has already recommended. Where is that page?
Page 20. Page 20, annexure 4. Serial number 678. The next page is the date signature.
Okay, let him.
By
give him a copy.
Today.
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship? The petition has filed this rate petition challenging the order passed by the Landed Insurance Ombudsman, my lords. The case is that, my lord, the OP number 1 is the owner of a car. His vehicle,
Owner of
a car.
car.
His vehicle met with he intimated us that his vehicle met with an accident on 15/9/21. And he intimated us on 21st. When we investigated, we came to know
21st what?
21st 9/22. 21st September 22. He intimated that accident took place on 15/9/2022.
2022. And
He intimated us on 21st September 22. But when we investigate, now there cross lines
within 7 days.
No, when we investigated the matter, we came to know that no, actually the accident took place on 11/9.
On what basis?
We investigated through our surveyor.
Yes, sir. On our surveyor.
And he subsequently he admitted. Subsequently he admitted, complainant admitted that no, inadvertently I mentioned it at 15/9 instead of 11/9.
Let me issue notice to the investor. Let me issue notice to OP number. Fine. This OP number 1. Why are you making ombudsman as a
because
party?
In some courts, it is directed that you make the party. It is not necessary, milords.
Ombudsman can
Not necessary, not a quasi-judicial authority, not necessary. But in some other court, it is being pointed out that you make.
It's not a necessary part. Okay. OP number 1, issue notice for OP number 1. Returnable on 5th September. Give a copy by registered post.
By registered post.
Item number 3.
3.
May I please? Here the petitioners had a home loan account with the opposite party bank, and he was paying the installment.
What is the amount of loan taken?
Loan amount at the time of closure it was.
Sir, what is the amount of loan taken? I'm not asking closure.
7,57,000 some odd.
You have taken. Some order amount not hai, sir. Loan dochi bank to put a particular amount. This one odd odd will not have. So for accurate figure,
now my lord, the dispute is my lord when he was
regular. I'm not asking the dispute. I will go step by step. First, apna loan dele kebane. Kebane. Bank case re ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କାଗଜ ଟେ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି କେବେ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ କେତେ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ କେବେ ଏନପିଏ ହେଲା ଏତିକି ତ ଲେଖିକି
No,
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
my lord,
Every day I am repeating the same thing, sir.
that I am no, my lord.
Please
But
tell me
your
when
my lord,
when was the
question
loan
of-
given?
my lord, the question of NPA is not there. More NPA.
ହେଲା ନଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଟ ନୋଟ ଟେ ଦେଲେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଇଜି ହବ। ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବି ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆସିଲେ ଏମିତି ଖୋଜିବେନି ଏଗୁଡା ଧଡ କହିବେ ପାଟିରେ ବାହାରିବ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଅଛି ଯେ
The dispute settled out with the fact.
ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡା ଯିବିନି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେପ ବାଇ ଷ୍ଟେପ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଲୋନ ନେଲେ 7 ଲକ୍ଷ କେତେ କେତେ ଫିଗର ଆପଣ କହିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
7 lakh.
7 ଲକ୍ଷ
I was
କେବେ
paying
ନେଲେ
the.
କେବେ ନେଲେ
I was paying the.
କେବେ ନେଲେ
No, that information.
that you don't have information loan ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେବେ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏବେ question ଟା
ନା
ସେଠି ନାହିଁ।
କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନଥିଲେ ବି ଏ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ ନିହାତି ଦରକାର ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର
ନା-
କୋର୍ଟର
Question
କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଯାହା ଥାଉ
without my knowledge and without intimating me, my lord, they closed that loan account by deducting the entire amount from my savings account without my knowledge. When I came to know about the same, I
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଆପଣ କେତେ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିଲେ କେତେ ଦିନ ରେଗୁଲାର
at the
ଦଉଥିଲେ
time of
କେବେ
closure, it was
କେବେ
7 lakhs.
ଏନପିଏ ହେଲା ଏସବୁ ଜାଣିବା
ନା,
ଦରକାର
NPA ହେଇନି.
ଏନପିଏ ହେଲେ କେମିତି ନେଇଗଲେ ଆପଣ
That is they have admitted their mistake. Your lords may turn to page 14 for.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଟର୍ନ ରୁ ଯିବିନି ମୋର ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆଗ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇନି
ଟିକେ ଖାଲି
ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇନି ପରେ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ ତାପରେ କେବେ ଏମାନେ ଯୋଉ which is the date when they took they deducted from your savings bank account when was the default date
the default, I was never defaulted.
regularly paying
What has happened? My name is Suchitra Swar. Another lady named is Suchitra Sabar. She filed an application to close her loan account.
ଆପଣ ନେଇଗଲେ କୋଉ
କୋଉ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
account
କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
State Bank ସେ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ବି ମାନିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଏବେ ମତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଭୁଲ ତ ହେଇଯାଇଛି annexure 40
ଏବେ କଣ କରିବା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ
ତ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମତେ ମୋ ପଇସା ଟା ମୋ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଫେରେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଯେମିତି ଲୋନ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ
ନେବେ ତ ସେଇ ତ କଥା
yes that is
Okay,
the
then with the SBI council ki ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
I have instruction to appear.
ସାର୍ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଏମିତି କଣ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ବିକ୍ରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ
My lord.
ସୁଆର ସବର ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଯଦି Mr. Why he was compelled to come to the court ଯଦି mistake kale I will impose cost on your bank ଆପଣ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ I will impose
Copy may be
heavy
sought.
cost 50,000 cost
Copy may be sought.
କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଆପଣ cost ପାଇଁ ready ହେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା I am not going to spare your bank why ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ କଷ୍ଟମର କଣ କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇ ପଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିନେ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଫାଇନ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ଘଣ୍ଟେ 2 ମିନିଟ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଦବ you have to pay
ଗୋଟେ separate account ଖୋଲି ଦେଇକି
Nothing
ଦେଇଦେବେ
with
ସେ amount ଟା adjust
take
କରିଦେବେ
instruction and get ready for the cost बिल्कुल I am not going to spare this बैंक ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏମିତି ଟିକେ ନଦେଲେ ହବନି nothing doing
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ rush time ରେ ହେଇଥିବ ସେମାନେ
ଏଇ
କଣ
rush
ହେଇଥିବ
time ଯାହା time
that is by mistake ହେଇଥିବ
ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ କଲେ ଆମେ
ନା,
ଛାଡିବୁ
ସେଇଟା
କି?
ତ ଠିକ।
ହଁ, ଆପଣ ଛାଡୁନାହାନ୍ତି
by mistakenly that has been done not intentionally not intentional
ଯଦି intentional
no not intentional
ଯଦି unintentional ତାର ରିଭର୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କାଇଁ କରିଦେଲେନି
ରିଭର୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ତ କରି ହବନି probably
କେମିତି କରିହବନି
କାହିଁକି ନା ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଲିକି ସେମ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ସେମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ରେଟ୍ ସବୁ ସେମ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ get ready for the
I-
cost ଛାଡିବିନି cost ତ ଦେବେ Now the council of the bank is ready to take instruction in the matter. First, the petitioner challenges the illegal action of the bank by unlawful action of the bank by action of the bank closing the 2 loan accounts of the petitioner
Too low.
by debiting an amount of rupees 7,57,591 and rupees 40,223 from another loan account of the petitioners kept in the said bank, but without giving him the prior information and without his consent, the said amount has been debited. Such action of the bank is uncalled for. Full stop. The Land Council of the bank also admitted the mistake but they have not reversed the account, nor did they take any corrective steps to restore the earlier position. In such view of the matter, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court via the present writ petition Full stop. Issue notice to the bank. Copy number 1, copy number 2. Why 2? There's a regional manager. Why you are asking for regional manager? There is only 2. Copy number 2. Copy number 2. Copy number 2. Kahin asibo? Copy number 1 kahin asibo? Copy number 2. Hello. Okay. List the matter on 24th, 24th, 25th, 20th, 30th. 30th. Give me copy.
In course of day, I am giving.
The copy and copy.
In
Bank.
course of day, I am giving.
Okay. Next.
Item number 4.
4.
No, please. Matter relating to victim compensation, my lord. The present petition file is given before open number.
What is the victim, sir?
Present
Victim for what?
354.
आगे मते सेक्शन कहंदनी कोन हला स्टोरी टी कहंदु ए सेक्शन एनेक्सर एटा कहबेनी एकदम प्लेन लैंग्वेज रे गुडे लेमैन को कहला बळिया मते शॉर्टकट रे कहंदु
accused person बलपूर्वक भाବରେ ଆମ ଘରେ ପଶି ମତେ ଟଣାଟଣା କରିବା ସହିତ ମୋ ଘରୁ ଜିନିଷ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ଚୋରି କରି ନେଇ ଟଙ୍କା 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ମୋ
ତା
ଘର
ପାଇଁ
ଭାଙ୍ଗି
victim
ଦେଇ
compensation scheme ଅଛି କି आपण स्कीम अछि बलपूर्वक आपण घरु पैसा नेवा ପାଇଁ victim compensation अछि
354 allegation ଉପରେ ଅଛି
अछि कि victim compensation अछि देखले मते गाइडलाइन देखंतु स्कीम रे अछि आसी देखंतु स्कीम देखंतु
schedule 2
grievous physical injury आपण grievous physical injury कोड हैला टणा उटरा रे grievous physical injury तो होई
or any mental injury
मेंटल इंजुरी के मापिबो ता पय माप यंत्र नाही मेंटल इंजुरी पय कि माप यंत्र बाहर कला देखियो एबे कि नाही सिन
ଆମ ଧନ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ସବୁ
धन
ନେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
संपत्ति एंदी सेंदी गले तो आ सरकार पैकर खाली कंपनसेशन दे दिया पैसा किछ रहइबनी सब आपण टैक्स पेयर मनी से कंपनसेशन पड़ेगा एंदी सब एंदी छोटा मोटा सब केस आसे टेक नोटिस
premature stage actually এটা
एबे कोन स्टेज कोडा
এফআইআরটা ইজ সিম্পল চার্জশিট হবে ট্রায়াল ফেস করিবে
चार्जशीट में ही नहीं
no no
then sorry the petitioner has approached this court like the petitioner seeking its direction from this court to opposite party number 2 for grant of victim compensation towards damage and loss of property of victim which as per registered as Patamundai PS case number 334 of 2023 full stop the since the case is at the stage of a fire and even the final form had not even filed. At this stage, this petitioner cannot be granted any compensation, hence the petition is premature, accordingly dismissed. Next.
can I
Item
can I
45.
mention
Dismissed.
item 42 your lordship have given permission to
Huh.
mention
42.
yes
Your Lordship, I'm there.
So he wants time.
Your Lordship.
Okay.
let it be taken up because he has to come from Jharkhand
Sir, झारखंड आपण जेंति कहउछन झारखंड रे हम ओडिसा रे कोरापुट रो पाखटा झारखंड
नहीं ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
तो
sir
आसंतु 2 weeks time दउछि
two weeks ରେ ହବନି ଆଉ ଟିକେ
आपण कोन फाइल करिवे
ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର
रिजेंडर पे एते समय दिया जायनी 2 weeks sufficient time आपण पठे देबे कुरियर रे से साइन करी पठे देबे गला फाइल कर देबे कोनटा करिवे
ଟିକେ sir
2 weeks नाले दे देबे 10 week दे देबे आपण जल्दी करिवे करंतु नाले
नहीं କରିବି ଯେ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି 1 month ଚାହୁଁଛି
1 month काई रिजेंडर गुटे फाइल करबे 1 month कंपनी
नहीं ସେ ଆସିବ କରିକି
आसीबो सगड़ गाड़ी रे आसीबो झारखंड को ट्रेन चालू नी गुटे रात रे बसले सकाळ पहुंच बाठी I not give more time 50 only 50 2 weeks time जल्दी यदि करो सारा तो काई डिले करछु
Lordship, may kindly fix a date.
These are short date should be given. Like 2 weeks time granted, list the matter on 12th September. Ala 2 weeks basi
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
2 weeks basi paileni.
Eh?
2 weeks basi ala time. 12th September.
ଯଦି ନ ହେଇପାରିବ again I will
आज्ञा now देबिनी मु time. आउ थरे देलिनी ना. As a last chance lagi.
no it has been since 2014 it has been
सेति पे
pending.
तो जल्दी सारी
but he has not
Sir,
given
सेति
counsel.
पे जल्दी चाहूची मु.
हाँ.
Since you are saying that it is very
ମୁଁ କେବଳ
14
ମାଗୁଛି ତ 3 weeks ଟିକେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ another I will not ask
आपण ऑलरेडी 3 weeks हे गेलानी सर 12 रे देली परा 3 weeks हेंती हे गेलानी हिसाब करू ना नेक्स्ट
Item number 5.
5
Please, my Lordship.
Yes.
Since 2019, I've been voluntarily working as an Anganwadi helper. Well, it's in 2022, I was engaged with an office order to work as an Anganwadi helper under the Balimela block. It's in after 8 months of my work, after 10 months of my work, the CDPO was appointed me. Now, he has floated an advertisement stating in that advertisement that the vacant posts in which I am working, my lords, right now to be filled up.
So ଆପଣଙ୍କ CDPO ଟା କେମିତି appoint କରିଥିଲା?
It's appoint କରିଥିଲି.
And just like that.
No, no. My appointment was by virtue of an order that is under annexure.
ଏ ଭାଇ order ପାଇଁ ତ selection process ହେଇଥିଲା.
Selection process ହେଇଥିଲା.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି selection
My
process? କୋଉଠି apply କରିଥିଲେ?
Lordships may kindly see that order. Say order will.
Order is not selection process ଭାଇ.
Well, ସେଥିରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ
I am
approval.
asking you a simple question.
My lords.
Whether you have been selected by following the
Due procedure of
due
law or not.
process of
My lords.
selection.
In that order,
Where
it's
is that?
in that order itself, my lords. So lordships, I'll just point out.
order টা?
In pursuance to letter number 1369 dated 1988-2022 and letter number 1319 dated 8/8/2022 of DSWO Malkangiri, the following AW helpers have been selected with proper procedure with observing GO and engaged in newly upgraded and newly sanctioned AWCs.
Okay.
In the existing
The
brackets.
present reputation it was appointed by following a proper due process of selection as appointed as Anganwadi helper. And the DSWA Malkangiri selected the candidate to fill up the existing vacancy of helpers to the newly sanctioned centers. Pursuant to the letter of DSW Malkangiri, the CDPO Kalimela had issued an office order directing the drafting the Dhangari Kara office order dated so and so
26/8.
by issued by so and so.
I'm sorry.
Office order. कौन আছে অফিস অর্ডার কো অফিস অর্ডার কেতে তারিখ কিছু জানা নাই
I'm sorry.
Office
my
order.
lords.
কেতে নাম্বার ডেট কো
26/8/2022 under annexure 8/2022
2022
under
Order
annexure
dated 26/8/2022 directing the to engage the helpers selected in the vacant post of upgraded and newly sanctioned AWCs. The petitioner had also joined by virtue of the said office order. Though the petitioner was selected by way of a proper selection process and was appointed, the petitioner submits like petition submits that though the petitioner was selected for the Mandir Pada Anganwadi Center, which is at
Bhubanpalli.
Pali Gram Panchayat, he has been ousted.
I have not been ousted.
Huh?
I'm still continuing.
She has been, sorry. And she is continuing there. But in the meantime, who is that person?
CDPO.
CDPO Kalimela has issued another advertisement
On 31/7/2023.
on 31/7/2023
2023.
to fill up the post of Anganwadi helper, including that of the present
Present
petitioner.
petition.
Hence, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court, issue notice to pin number 1 and 2, 3, 1 to 3, subcopy and subcopy. This is the matter on 5th September.
I had
Item
an
number
IA,
6.
my lords,
What is it?
not to fill up that particular.
Okay,
post.
in the meantime, the petitioner, the station where the petitioner is working, the post which has been advertised for the station where the petitioner is working shall not be filled up without the leave of the court. Next,
Item number 6.
6.
Are the petitioners working as an Anganwadi worker, my lord, and her Anganwadi center is going to be submerged in the lower Suktal irrigation project. And the lower Suktal irrigation project, my lord.
Which village?
My lord,
Which village?
that village is
Which is the center?
center, my lord, yes.
Which is the center, sir?
Santalan
In immersed in water.
Yes.
Water ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଏବେ।
हाँ सब रिजर्व भीतर आछी।
हाँ ସେ ତ କହୁଛି
ହଁ।
ନାଇଁ ଏ ଭିତରେ ପାଣି ପଶି ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଗାଁରେ ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
हाँ, yes.
I am from that area. I know.
Yes, yes, my lord. But that
ସେ ଗାଁରେ କେହି ପାଣି ଆଉ
only
ନାହିଁ।
that has to be
ମାନେ
declared as
ଅତିଗଲା ପାଣି।
only that has to be declared as closed because some of the centers has already been closed
So ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଠିକି?
because in the same situation, my lord, in
Ah.
lower Indra irrigation project,
Ah.
Lord, see, may see the page
I am asking you why are you here? ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି?
because I have repented the collector and the RDC. my
ଆପଣ
lord.
କିଏ?
I'm an Anganwadi worker.
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି worker.
Yes, my lord.
Where are you posted in this village?
Yes, my lord.
Santal and Pali.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
So what is your problem? The village is immersed now in water.
Yes.
Then what is your problem?
Because in similarly situated persons, my lord, in lower Indra irrigation project of Nuapada district, my lord, they have been settled and I have obtained the information.
Sir, that's what I'm asking.
Yes,
All those people who are from that village, they had been shifted to another place called Jhankar Pali.
yes,
It is not here, I'm telling the facts. They have been shifted there.
yes.
And people have been given to different places. Some people are there, some people are there, some people are somewhere else like that. So in that case, where is the question of AWC for you?
Because the new Anganwadi centers will be.
apply କରିବେ, ଆପଣ କେମିତି କରିବେ?
ସେଇଟା pending ଅଛି ଆମର.
ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ, ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛୁ।
ହବ, ହବ।
Lordship, kindly only see the page,
Which page?
page 9, my lord. Lower Indra irrigation project, they have been shifted.
I am Suktel project. I'm
Yes.
lower in the corner.
The same- same-
Alga district, same district,
Same, ସେଇଟା consider କରାଯିବ ବୋଲି recommendation ଦେଇଛି।
ସେଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଯଦି ଏନମାସ ଗୋଟେ village ର ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ କରାଯାଇଥିବ,
ବିଭିନ୍ନ
ତାହେଲେ
ଜାଗାରେ।
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ,
Yes.
as far as my knowledge goes, ଏନମାସ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Yes.
Some people are somewhere, some people are somewhere, part of the ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ କରାହେଇଛି, ତେଣୁ
Yes.
ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଟା possible ହଉନି।
Because
ବୁଝିଲେ?
government, yes,
ଆଉ
my,
ସେଇ ଯୋଉ lower irrigation ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନମାସ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାକୁ shift କରାଯାଇଛି, ତେଣୁ ସେଠି ସେଇ
ନାଇଁ, ସେ
again ସେଇ center ଚାଲିବ।
ନା lower Indra ରେ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Sir,
ଯଦି ଖାଲି
government, you go do one thing.
Jo-
You file a representation before the collector, if he consider.
already filed।
Court
Already।
ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ
Anis-
court
Anis-
କେମିତି direction ଦବ ଯେ ଏଠି କୋଉଠି ଦିଅ ନ ଦିଅ?
ନା ନାଇଁ, annexure 1 ଟା consider ହେବ, annexure 1 and 3।
That's all. The grievance of the petitioner is that no, the petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party for not considering the grievance of the petitioner who is working as Anganwadi worker, and the Anganwadi center is Santalan Pali, which is going to, which has already been submerged, sir, going to be gone. এই ବର୍ଷ ଦିନ ସବୁ ହେଇସାରିଛି,
ଏବେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସବୁ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସବୁ।
ହେଇସାରିଲାଣି,
Right.
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ,
ଆ ଭିତରେ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ।
ଆ ଭିତରେ ହେଇସାରିଛି।
ହେଇସାରିଥିବ।
ହଁ।
ସେ ସବୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
8-10 villages have already been submerged,
Right.
which is already submerged under the lower Suktel irrigation project of Balangir district, whereas the case of similarly situated person in the respect of lower Indra irrigation project of Nuapada district has been considered. Also, the Land Council of the state submit that since the irrigation project, since there has been a lot of relocation of people from that project affected area to different areas, hence this is slightly difficult for the to consider the grievance of the present petitioner. Also, however, the petitioner has the Land Council petitioner submits that he has given a representation to the OP number
2 collector।
OP number 2 collector regarding for considering his grievance.
Sorry, my lord,
in the
3
light of
OP number 3 collector।
OP number 3, in the light of the instance shown in what that instances lower Indra project in Nuapada district. Hala, full stop. So the said representation be disposed of within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Hala.
Second matter same।
Second matter?
Same matter।
Same matter. Hala. Kalna Gana same
ନାଇଁ, ଖାଲି center ଅଲଗା ଆଉ ସବୁ।
होगा, सही same गाँव
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ଅଲଗା ଗାଁ।
होगा।
କଖଲ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର। କଖଲ କଖଲ KKHL
କଖଲ
କଖଲ
ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି,
ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର ବ୍ଲକରେ।
କଖଲ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି। First time ଶୁଣୁଛି କଖଲ। There must be Khaksabal.
Kokhal.
Konkhal.
Aye.
The name is actually Konkhal, not Kokhal.
Kokhal.
Konkhal. Like this. Next.
କଖାଲ
Item number 7.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କଖାଲ ଲେଖା
No,
ହେଇଛି।
no, Konkhal. The Ghana Konkhal. Next.
7.
May I please, your lord?
7.
Your my lord, the petitioner challenges the impugn order under Annex 8, my lord. Reject.
ଆଜ୍ଞା facts କ'ଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Facts ହେଲା ଯେ petitioner applied for the post of Anganwadi worker in Krishnapalli Anganwadi center, my lord. Opposite party number 6 also applied for the said post,
Which
my lord.
district? Both.
Both district, my lord. Krishnapalli Anganwadi center.
Hmm.
But opposite party number 6 obtained her residence certificate much after the stipulated date and time, as well as the caste certificate also. I have filed annexure 2, my lord. The last date of submission of application along with all the required documents was 21st April 2021. But the opposite party number 6 submitted her caste certificate that was she has obtained her caste certificate after 1 day, my lord. Annexure 3.
What is your reply?
First time I see like.
The council petitioner submit that the petitioner had the petitioner challenges the order dated 29/4/2023 passed by the OP number 3 in RMA number 3 of 2021 disallowing the present the application of the present petitioner for the appointment/selection for the post of Anganwadi worker in Krishna Pali Anganwadi Center District, both thereby debarring the present petitioner for the post of Anganwadi worker in the Krishna Pali Anganwadi Center. He further submits that though the petitioner had submitted the caste certificate after the closing date of submission, yet his case the opposite party, na?
Opposite party
Which party
6.
number pede?
6, my lord.
6 has submitted. After the closing, still her case has been submitted, case has been considered, and the petitioner, though he is eminently suitable for the post, has been ignored. Mark ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଧିକ ଅଛି?
Mark କମ ଅଛି।
କାର mark ଅଧିକ ଅଛି?
ତାର mark ଅଧିକ ଅଛି।
Then he further submits that though the petitioner has secured the opinion number 6 has secured the highest mark, the petitioner case has been ignored highest mark, but submitted the certificate much later than the
Last date of
submission of the form. Hence, the petitioner case should have been considered, but they have not considered. Hence, since consent to approve this court, issue notice. State to file the reply within 5th September.
Public.
Give a copy. Next.
Item number 8.
May I please,
Eight.
this is a contempt matter, my lord.
What is the
The,
content? What is the
your
content?
lordship directed the opposite party to issue no objection certificate for obtaining the pollution certificate within 4 weeks, my lord. The opposite party
Where is my order? My order?
my lord, under annex page 7, my lord.
Page?
Page starting from page 5, annexure 1, my lord. Your lordship's order.
What is that?
In page 9, your lordship,
Here the word.
opposite party
Sarpanch.
Sarpanch, my lord. He has received some, no, my lord.
Who is appearing for the Sarpanch?
Notice.
Notice.
First time.
Mine,
Okay,
first.
to the contempt now. Who is the Sarpanch the contempt now?
My lord.
The collector legicho.
No,
Collector lagaichi. Acha collector
No, my
is
lord,
order on.
Sarpanch. Contempt re, one, there is one. Mamata Subhadarsan.
Issue notice to the by registered postal. Judge for the bahan. Next. This is the matter on 4th September. Next.
Item number 9.
9.
On behalf of Mr. Rai, my lord. This is the second contempt, my lord.
What is second, first con heji? It is the second, third contempt bada popular ହେଇଗଲାଣି କଣ କରିବା ମୁଁ contempt ଗୋଟେ ଶୁଣିଥିଲି first time
In
ଶୁଣିଥିଲି
contempt
second,
application number
third.
574/22,
State come to the point.
petitioner is a contractual employee and there is a contractual remuneration has not been released, my lord. For that reason, he preferred an writ application in 396 of 22. In that order, the representation should be
Okay, representation. Say representation. Representation ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ dismiss କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି କରନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା dismiss କରନ୍ତୁ allow କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି କାହିଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ କରନ୍ତୁ
For that, I will.
Okay, God consider this contempt takes notice. This is the matter on 4th September. Okay. Next,
Item number 10.
10. 10.
Petitioner is only under opposite party number 2, a financial institution. During the COVID period, the loan was prepared to be restructured. Without doing that, they have now.
It's 10.
10.
10. What is the issue, sir?
Issue, sir, petitioner is only under opposite party number 2, financial institution. During the COVID period, under RBI guideline, restructure was spread from the financial institution. Without considering that, they sit over that matter. Now the petitioner also proposed OTS. Now they have given foreclosure notice.
Who is that, financial institution?
That is
Sarvodaya
opposite party
Small
number
Fin-
2.
এটা একটা কোন নয়া ব্যাংকটা এলানি
Sir,
সূর্যোদয় স্মল ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ব্যাংক
again,
এটা কাহার ব্যাংক এটা প্রাইভেট ব্যাংক
Louis Road, Bhubaneswar.
আর প্রাইভেট ব্যাংকটা
Sir, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜାଣିନି ତ। Exact.
ওকে the petitioner is an MSME organization. ଏସବୁ କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଗପ କାହିଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତି to the point କାହିଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତି PPS petitioner is an avian enterprise MSME organization has the right to business under article 19G constitution of India ଏଇ ଗପ କାହିଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତି ସିଧା ଆପଣ point କୁ କାହିଁ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏତେ ଗପ କଣ ଦରକାର ସିଧା straight point କୁ ଆସିବେ what is your problem
ମୁଁ sir ଯାହା କହିଥିଲି ସେତିକି ମୋର
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ପୁରା ଲେଖିବେ ସେଟା ଆମେ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ ହବ what is required ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ନା ଏତେ ଗପ ଲେଖିଲେ ମିଳିବ କଣ କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ନାହିଁ waste of time ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବି time ମୋର ବି time
I could follow my word.
ହଁ next ଆଡେ ଫେର ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବି during the COVID pandemic the petition organization requested the to the bank
No.
for restructuring of the loan amount as per the guidelines dated 5/5/2020 issued by the Reserve Bank of India. However, the opposite party bank has not taken any step to restructure the loan amount and instead he has
Foreclosure
it has
notice.
issued the foreclosure notice. Foreclosure notice on which date?
That is dated 5/1/2023.
5/1/2023 issue notice to the opinion 1 and 2. One is
Formal.
I have given the copy.
formal କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ 1 କୁ ଆଗ କାଇଁ ଉପରେ ତାକୁ ରଖିବେ ନା 1 କୁ ଆଗ ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି opinion number 2 ଲଗା list the matter on 28 sir hala 28 next item
Item 11.
11
Other two similar.
similar same order
10 ରେ 3ଟା ଅଛି.
okay similar next
11.
11
In this case, I got instruction.
ah
He has implemented the Tahsildar instead of Raigada.
sorry
Kasipur, Tahsildar Kasipur
Ah.
has intimated us that the DC died within jurisdiction of Tahsildar Raigada. So let him implement Tahsildar Raigada as party.
yes written because Tahsildar Raigada is not paying the ex-gratia assistance he's saying not
Tahsildar Kasipur.
no in the order see the order last order 10/8/2023 order
We have sent letter to Tahsildar Kasipur. He replied, he already intimated to Tahsildar Raigada.
Tahsildar Raigada is there read that paragraph
I would date assume Raigada instruction yes.
okay Lord consider the state to take instruction from the collector Raigada list the matter on
Raigada.
28 assume 28 hala Raigada run hala next
Item number 12.
12 ICICI Lombard you are replying
Yes.
what is the case
Nobody appeared yet. Notice has been issued on 13/7/2000.
don't worry I'll dismiss it it's good for you
No,
Ah.
sir,
Yes, what is the case?
another day.
What is the case about? Why are you asking for time?
I see.
What is the case about?
Yes, madam.
What is the case?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No. Last occasion somebody was there. Somebody appeared.
Nobody appeared.
No.
The-
Mr. G.R. Mahapatra, no, sorry. Opposite party number 2, nobody appeared.
Yes.
Let's give a chance. Okay. You just take first step to serve him another copy.
Yes.
Who is the opposite party?
Opposite party Biswanath Behera,
Which district?
Keonjhar.
Okay. Now consider the petitioner to take a fresh step to serve the opposite party. A copy of the petition by registered post with AD.
Yes.
List the matter on 29, 30, 31st, 31st,
Obliged, my lord.
Item
Right.
number 13.
13.
My lords, I appear for OP number 9.
First case, I am appearing for the petitioner.
I am the in second sub item. I am for the petitioner. I pray for next week, my lord, to file a small rejoinder, my lord.
Huh?
To file a small rejoinder.
Small rejoinder. Why?
Well, item number 13 of first case static. First case, the circulation was made citing the interim order in the second case. In fact, there is no interim order. It's a clear case of contempt, madam.
You are for the this ad hoc journal committee.
Yes, madam. Your lordship can have a match to annexer 1.
Who are the other people we are appearing for?
Railway.
Railway.
In first case.
First case. And you are appearing for?
I am appearing in second case for the petitioner.
Petition.
My lords, I appear for the bank in this matter. We've also been arrayed as a party.
Bank is also there.
Yes, my lords, OP number 9 in
Is the bank does the bank have?
yes.
What is the role of
They-
the bank?
My lord, the only mention is that they want to freeze the account. In fact, the word is
okay,
fridge the
okay.
account
Okay.
at page 17.
So
No
you
prayer against us specifically.
My lord,
rejoinder whatever you want to file.
my lord.
File your complete your pleading. Why are
My
you
lord, my
taking
lord, my lord.
rejoinder reply karandu?
My-
Pleading complete karandu.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, learn concept of
In the first case, your lordship
the
में
first second कुछ नहीं जानता.
first case annexer 1 टा stay होना दरकार.
जहाँ आपण फाइल खुला करंतु वो फाइनल
Annexer 1 टा stay कर दियो.
किसी स्टे देबी.
सेटा कुछ contempt. This is a clear case of contempt.
ए कैसे
How can they issue this letter?
ସେଇଟା ହବନି. ଆଉ ଫାଳେ ଫାଳେ କମ ଅଛି.
So by this process, they have deprived the association to function more.
କଣଟା ହେଇଯିବ 3-4 ଦିନ ଟାଇम ଦେବି ବେଶୀ କଣ ଦେବି କି? ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ଭିତରେ ତ આપણે ସାରିବେ ଆଉ. Why should you take unnecessary time? List the matter on 30th ଆସୁ ହେଲା 30th ରେ ଖତମ କରିବେ. फाइनल हियरिंग हला फाइनल समस्त जे जा फाइल करा कथा कर दे आ सेते
Obliged, my lords.
एज ए लास्ट चांस एज ए लास्ट चांस
No further steps be taken pursuant to annexer 1.
Huh?
No further step be taken.
annexer 1 कोन अछि
Annexer 1 टा से माने
Order.
they have kept in abeyance our circulation. We were circulated. We are.
week sir 1 week कोन अछि एते दिन अटकले 1 week कोन अछि
They have already enjoyed this.
everything
No, there is no interim order. That is my real submission. My honor friend is submitting that interim order. If that is interim order, so lots may impose cost.
There is no interim order. I am submitting. Please listen carefully.
के interim order बोल कहले
No, he's saying interim order, and there was a communication that interim order is passed.
who has communicated
I will not show this.
who is communicated
It was the office from the Central Government Council.
Let me clarify everything. This second case, in this second case, I am appearing for the railways. The case was heard at length. Interim order was passed in the court, but that has not been reflected in the order. Yes,
I am very conservative in passing interim order sir very conservative
possibly it was not.
generally I have tried because see interim order often creates problem.
It is
This
not
kind of problem, that's why I slightly conservative.
It was not before your lordship at the time of your
So not before me na?
admission.
Thank God बच गया.
That was not before your lordship. Not before your lordship.
Anyway next time देखिए ହେଲା. Let's see. तांगर internal letter कौन लिखले मु I should go into all this thing. If internal letter lawyer लेखुची letter मु काई
That is a letter of.
No, that's why I have not done.
sir
We have not written.
we see that on that day we'll see. Hala you show everything whatever you want to see. Let it come on 30th. hala. Next
30th.
Item
Next.
number 14.
14
Obliged, my lords.
14 14
Already complied.
compliant. Okay, land comes with the petition submit that the order has already been compliant, hence the contempt is dropped. Next
Item number 15.
15
May I please?
2014 matter. Don't
No.
waste time.
My lords.
Allah, what is the matter?
My lords, the only issue to be adjudicated in this case is that whether the order issued by the OP3,
I don't know what who is OP3. Why want to know
But
what is
it's,
the
the
issue,
direct-
sir? What is the issue?
the issue is that, my lords, after death of my father,
Ah.
who was working as a teacher in school THD,
Father was working as a teacher, right?
my lords.
So you applied for
Under the RS scheme within
rehabilitation
the stipulated time, my
Okay.
lords. My lords, my name was reflected in the selection list, and thereafter, my lords, stating that as I have married prior to the issue of appointment letter, my lord,
Sorry, just a minute. Married, why, what is the problem?
In 2004, my lords, I'm giving a date. here.
Your father died on, when did he die?
On 1st of August 2004,
1st August 2004.
my lords. I applied on 26th of July 2005,
Okay, so within time.
my lords. Thereafter,
Then
I
you-
married in 2006.
Married in
2006.
Ah.
Now the order was passed in 2013 stating that as I have married prior to my appointment, so
Who married?
means the petitioner, the daughter who applied.
Daughter marriage kala kona taku mileni?
That
Before issuing the appointment order,
Ah.
it has to be verified whether he is still unmarried or married.
Why?
Once she's married, she is not eligible for.
ତାହେଲେ married daughter ମାନଙ୍କୁ property ରେ ଭାଗ କେମିତି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ? ସେଇ scheme ରେ ଯଦି ଲାଗୁ ହେବ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେବା କଥା
the
ତାହେଲେ।
issue is not more recent.
ନାଇଁ,
Agra.
married daughter they are eligible for the property, share of property.
My
as
lord,
per
my lord, the property is the right of the daughter.
just ଏଇଟା right ନୁହେଁ?
My lord,
ଏଇଟା ବି
so
property,
far,
ଏଇଟା ବି property,
my-
ଏଇ job ବି property.
my lord, so far as the RS scheme is concerned, that there is no right accrued so far the RS scheme is concerned.
Why is this rule? Show me the rule.
My lord,
Show me the rule where it says that after marriage, not everything vanishes.
my lord, kindly see. I've quoted in that my counter, my lord.
No, no. Show me rule. Which rule? Show me.
My lord, kindly see my counter. In counter, I have annexed that one.
What is that?
Your lordship, kindly come to page 2.
I have not got the counter. See, counter. What is the counter?
Counter dated 28 June 2022.
You read that? Read it. Read it. Hey, darwaja band karo. Don't tell them not to shout here. Those who want to shout, go outside and shout. Yes. Which paragraph?
Your lordship, kindly see para 3.
Para 3.
3.
On.
That it is submitted that the director of secondary education such as considered her application and forwarded the instruction to consider application for appointment on the
I want to know the paragraph where it says that married daughter is not given. Tell me that. Where is that paragraph?
Your lordship, kindly come to para 9.
Para 9.
Page 3.
The priority of the legal heir under RS scheme is the wife of the deceased, wife nahi. Then disabled persons not available. Then sons
and daughters.
Sons nahi. Sons achi na nahi.
My lord, sons achandi, but they have given their affidavit as per the rules only. If there are multiple legal heirs, then other legal heirs has to give their consent regarding.
So the sons have not.
They have given the affidavit, my lord. That is in the record.
So the marriage had taken place. That's why they are saying no.
My lords, exactly.
So where is that? Where does it say that married daughter will not get?
Yes, my lord. The last 4 lines, my lord. At page 4. Before issue of appointment order, it should be ensured that they are still unmarried, as RS scheme provides for extended employment to unmarried daughters.
So show me the scheme. Show me the scheme. Scheme ta dekhandu.
Scheme annexure A3, my lord.
Achi idhar file ko chali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where is the scheme?
Your lordship, kindly.
In one of the case, I had passed order, sir. This is the case where I passed order. Married daughter can also be considered. I passed order.
The issue has been, my lord, dealt with.
I have dealt this issue in detail. Why married daughter should be debarred. Scheme ta dekhile scheme ta. What is the scheme, sir?
Scheme is at annexure A by 3, my lord.
A by 3. Which subclause? Where is that?
My lord, I'm coming. Your lordship kindly come to J at page
J.
7.
J.
J.
The
At page,
priority of legal heir under RS scheme is the wife, ठीक अच्छी, of disabled, while providing any employment to one of the members of the family, it is to be seen that whether any of the family members of the affected family is in any employment by way of RS scheme. Before the issue appointment, it should be ensured that they still unmarried as RS scheme provides. That is preference only. You can select case to case basis. जोड़ी नथिबे देबेनी जस्ट बाहर गला वाली से पाइबेनी
no man.
व्हाई वो ऑर्डर तो क्या चैलेंज करेनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे
That,
If it is wrong order, then we should have challenged before the
my lord,
Supreme
no, baha hai
Court.
gale.
वो चाहूँ जी सुप्रीम कोर्ट चैलेंज करन दो. Let Supreme Court say something. Go and challenge my order. Last order. I've given a very detailed order.
I know, my lord.
आउट दे देबी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जीवन में और 2-3 दे देबी जिबे जान तू कंफर्म इग्रासन.
First we have to adjust the rate appeal, then Supreme Court.
हां एटा तो ही अछि ऑलरेडी और ये रिट फाइल करन तू.
I'll just verify whether
रिट फाइल करन तू.
no, your
I am telling you, please file. I want to know.
What I pray, my lord. I'll just verify that whether your lordship's order dated 27/10/2022 has been preferred a writ appeal or not.
Verify करन
My-
तो लगो चाहिए.
My lord.
I want this to be verified.
My-
And in fact, go to up to Supreme Court. Yes, some laws should be settled somewhere. Okay, after lunch.
Obliged, my lords.
Directed the then sub collector and the present CDPO and the then CDPO to appear.
38 na?
38. If your lordship will permit me, I will just refresh your lordship. It is
Yes.
with regard to the advertisement, without cancelling the advertisement for appointment of Anganwadi worker, another advertisement came up, my lord.
This Suvarnapur district. This is Suvarnapur district.
Let's see.
Serial number 38.
So your grievance is that without cancelling the earlier one, it has been advertised again.
No. My grievance is I am in service 2018. The notification is the second notification is issuing the second notification is illegal. The appellate authority has defined against the
So
appellate.
you are saying you are appointed in the first advertisement under the first.
Second advertisement.
Second. So you participated in the second.
Yes, yes. All the persons are participated.
Then what is your grievance?
My lord,
Just explain.
my lord, let me clarify.
Ah.
There was earlier there is one advertisement. The present petitioner was not a candidate over that advertisement.
Okay.
She has not participated. Without cancelling the first advertisement, the then CDPO has published another advertisement. Basing on that advertisement, the petitioner is the only candidate who
only candidate.
only candidate who applied, and she has been selected. Now, against that selection, another co-applicant in the first advertisement has preferred an appeal before the judge.
I understand.
The appellate authority has held that the petitioner appointment is not as per the law. Against who is the petitioner has approved now before your law.
I understand.
No, first notification, no such procedure है ही नहीं.
Madam, once the advertisement is done, it is presumed that there is
no such procedure. Procedure है ही.
You please sit down, better.
My lord, the sub-collector is there.
Yes. Please. Please come. to Mike.
On the last occasion, the then CDPO
Hmm.
has submitted that as per the instruction of the sub-collector, she has published the second notice.
So why did you publish, just cancel the one, the second one publish? What is the reason?
First one has not been cancelled.
Then why did the second one was
That's why
floated?
when your lordship asked the
When
CDPO.
first one was in existence, what are the need for floating the second one?
Sir, CDPO Toraba was kept subquarter total darkness. Without
What action you have taken? If she has taken to kept you in darkness, what action you have taken against her?
Sir, I did not know that he is doing second advertisement. There is
But
no-
when you get to know that she has done the second advertisement, why you should have taken action against her?
I have already transferred, sir.
Huh?
I have already been transferred to secretariat, sir.
Okay. You are in secretariat now.
Sir.
Who is the present sub-collector? There should be some action should be taken against the person. Why I mean, it is, they are doing as per whatever they like, they will do that. Who is that, these, of these two, who are the?
CDPO.
Who has done it?
Anita Kumari Das.
Yes, Madam Anita Kumari Das.
The then CDPO.
Anita Kumari Das, Madam.
Sir, namaskar.
आपण second advertisement कौन पे कले? First जेतले थिला?
Sir, first advertisement जेतले करा हितला, तापरे हठात सब कलेक्टर चेयरमैन करो देह खराब होला बोली से छुटे रहि गेले.
छुटे रहि गेले बोली आपण second कर देबे. देह खराब होला प्रोडक्शन कर देबे. एने कोडी नियम अछि सब कलेक्टर देह खराब होला second करा बोली करी.
Sir, से अवेलेबल हेलेनी तेनु तापरे से जेतले फेरिला परे कहिले से second advertisement करिया पई that to जो माने अप्लाई करथिले.
कहिले आपण को ओरली कहिले ना कजी रिटर्न दैछंती.
ओरली कहितले लिखिथिले.
ओरली कहितले आपण कर देबे. रिटर्न मागिले नी.
Sir, file रे भी लिखिथिले sir.
को फाइल मते फाइल ता देखली.
File number 61 by 2016. That is, she has not recommended the file to subquarter. She has herself has done everything.
I will take action. Suspend her. Suspend Anita Kumari Das immediately.
Sir, se file रे
Inquiry karantu. Inquiry if she has done it, suspend her.
Your lordship may direct the present sub-collector to make an inquiry, my lord.
Who is the present sub-collector? The CDPO. She's posted where?
Now Baliguda.
CDPO Baliguda. Srimati Anita Kumari Das, present before this court, who was earlier posted as CDPO Tarba, full stop. And as per and Mr. What is his name, sir?
Balaram Malik.
Mr. Just a minute, hold on. I'm doing something for you only. Then when the code is in your favor, please keep quiet. Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yes. You have sit there now. Please sit down. So the sub-collector, Mr. The then sub-collector, Mr.
Balaram
Malik, is also present in court. He has informed that without the approval of the sub-collector, the CDPO, Srimati Das, has issued the second advertisement. In the meantime, the CDPO Tarva, Srimati Das, the CDPO Tarva has been transferred to Baliguda block.
CDPO Baliguda.
Sorry, CDPO Baliguda. And the sub-collector, Mr. Malik, is also been transferred to the secretariat. The present sub-collector, ki achi present?
I have to.
Ki achi present sub-collector, madam?
The present CDPO can tell.
Namaskar, sir.
Present sub-collector ki achi Sonpur district?
Dr. Ipsita Misra.
Dr. Ipsita Misra. The present sub-collector to inquire into the matter and give a detailed report, submit a report before this court. Report as okay.
Till then, my lord, the personal appearance of
all. The personal appearance of all these people.
All.
Sub-collector is Mr. Malik. Former Supplemental Mr. Malik, and the other two, Anita Kumar Das and the present CDPO and the former CDPO. This is the matter on 4th September. Let her,
A free copy of the order.
let her submit the report. We'll see.
Please, my lord, in this case, my lord, I am appearing for the opposite number of 5. So what I
That
need to
ticket
say.
one too. Kichi mo kori nahi, kichi apna co party ko kichi
From
kori.
post-
I want to. No. Why? I just want to get the fact. There is a fact finding. कौन है इसे तो जाने मु first. तापर की भूल को खराब जानी भी. What की जान? Let first. What is the fact? Let me find. Okay. Let the collector file a report.
Item number 16.
Next.
May I please your lordships?
Hmm.
My lord, this is a application under section 37, my lord, challenging the 34 order, my lords. The fact of the case is like this, my lords. The respondent participated for this. This is particularly balance work of a retaining wall nearing the railway sliding, my lord. Your lordship heard this matter less. 16, my lord. And I have also filed the written notes of submission, my lord. So as per lordship direction, I just filed it. Yes.
Another important thing. Most of the cases what is happening. ଆପଣ 34 order ଟାକୁ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ arbitration order ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ କେସ୍ ରେ ସେ ଆଉଛି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ order ଲେଖିବା ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ arbitral order ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ଏଟା ପ୍ରାୟ କେସ୍ ରେ ହଉଛି last 2-3 cases I am facing the same problem ସେଟା ନ ପଡିଲେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ତାକୁ କଣ decide କେମିତି କରିବି ଯୋଉ କୌଣସି କେସ୍ ରେ reserve ହବ arbitral award ନଥିଲା ନିଆ ହବ ନାହିଁ simply
I'll supply that because my lord the document.
Please sir arbitral award ନଲେ ଆପଣ how do you feel that the court will go into the matter 34 ଥିବ ଆଉ 37 ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ arbitral award ନାହିଁ କେମିତି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବୁ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି
ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି
କ୍ଲିୟର କର ଦେଖିବା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज जज खोर्धा एटा कोडी रहला
that is my lord
arbitral award कोडा
it's a separate it was filed by a separate memo my lord
separate memo कोडा
I3/2020 my lords 5th March 2020
एमदी सेपरेट मेमो काई करिवे सर arbitral award काई करबे संगे से मिसे तो कर देबे गला सेपरेट मेमो नाही नाही सेटे
henceforth my lords I ensure that but the documents are also missing my lords that all today is supplied my lords all the exhibits
the सारा document मुझे दियंतु no otherwise I am not able to do that with the opposite party
I am from the opposite party
ah
I am from BC man
please give the this thing give the your arbitral award otherwise I can't decide
that is then once again my lords I'll supply it
hard copy देखना
once again I'll supply it and all the
देखी कि देखो ना फाइल तो मो पारे अछि खाली सेही एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी ता अछि न देखो कोची तो धरे बसी किछि काम करबनी सब खाली धर देबा नहीं
I would supply कर दे separate memories are filed
सर नाही हम
I'll supply your lordship may keep it to any other day I'll supply
yeah please that concept of the petitioner to submit a copy of the arbitral award list the matter on 25th लगे दो हला 25th
मैला
फोटोकॉपी मो सर्टिफिकेट में मागुनी फोटोकॉपी भी दिले चढ़ियो
my lord may I submit my lord may be 28th my lord I have personal difficulty on 25th and 28th
कौन आर्ग्यू करबी कि आपण कॉपी तो देबे रिटन सबमिशन कौन आर्ग्यू करिया अछि
जा
चलियो आपण नहले भी चलियो
28th की रखा जाओ
मो आपण अछन बोले लिख दी हैला डोंट वरी
my lord 24 25 I will not be there my lords
28 रहबे तो हाउ 28 संग सुविधा दुई जन सुविधा हला ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट 28 दास
well only I have submitted the written notes of submission
एक संग दे देबे आ आधा आधा
I'll कर दीजिए
एक संग दे दे हां
I'll take it back
कर दीछन तो ठीक है ओके
should I take it back I'll file it along with the
yeah that will better
obliged
take it
obliged
next
17
Unless may I be permitted to place on behalf of Mr. Enling?
yes please
My lord, in this case, they have filed an IA for intervention and IA to vacate the stay order. My lord, in that case.
Who has filed?
Yes, Lord, I have filed an
What is the
intervention.
case about?
My lord, the first notification was published on 25/2/2000.
What is the issue, sir? Please tell me in 2-3 lines. I don't know what is the first notification, for what purpose the notification, I don't know anything. Just as a layman, you have to tell me. What is the issue?
My lord, pursuant to first notification.
I don't know what is the pursuant to first notification. What is for? What is it for?
My
What
lord,
is it for?
My lord, I was going through the selection process, but
What
subsequently.
selection process?
My lord,
Collector?
Anganwadi worker.
Collector?
My lord, Anganwadi
आपको
worker.
कहूँ ना अङ्गनवाडी अधा फाळे फाळे सीधा सीधा कहिପାରିबिनी?
My lord, I was
What
going.
is the selection? For what purpose you have come here? You have to tell me in short, brief.
My lord,
I
I
have
was.
the habit. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା କହିପାରୁଛି ହଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ 3-4 ଲାଇନରେ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଟକଟ କହିବା ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ସବୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ସବୁବେଳେ କାମ ଦେବେ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ ନା ସବୁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଏଇଟା କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସିଧା ଲର୍ଡସିପ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି କାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ annexure 4 କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ ଗଣ୍ଡି
My lord, I was undergoing for the selection of Anganwadi. Then my lord, after model code of conduct was imposed, then the general election were conducted and it was over. Then they subsequently they published second notification, my lord, without cancelling the first one.
Okay, where is it?
My lord, that is at annexure.
So what is your grievance? Okay, that's
My
fine.
lord, my name was reflected in the notice board of CDPO Baripada as a selected candidate, inviting objection. My lord, then after the code of conduct was imposed, and after that the notification which was
Second
published.
notification, so in the second notification you are out of the list.
Yes.
That is your problem.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, because you are in the first, then here you are out. Okay, the second notification didn't apply.
My lord, they didn't cancel the first one.
No, you applied in the second.
My lord, I was selected in the first
I am
one.
asking, have you applied in the second?
No, my lord.
No? Sure?
Yes, Lord. He has applied. He stood second. Only 2 applicants. I am the present
ना,
petitioner
झूठ
stood
बोल-
first.
झूठ बोलने का लिमिट होता है
My lord, I.
खड़े-खड़े झूठ बोलते हो यार तुम
My lord, keep it to another date. My lord,
why
objection to
should
that.
I keep it another ଏବେ ଫେସଲା କରିବି ସତ କହିଥିଲେ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଡେଟ୍
My lord, I.
ଇଚ୍ଛା କହିଲା ଛାଡ଼ିବି
My lord, I am pardon, madam.
ବିଲକୁଲ ପାର୍ଡନ ଫାର୍ଡନ ନାହିଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି
I am sorry, my
କେସ୍ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବି no pardon
Sorry, my lord. My
No
lord,
pardon,
keep it to
nothing.
next date. My senior will ask.
spell the word pardon
PARDON.
okay no do any ନୁହେଁ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି okay so then your grievance is that in the first you are the selected candidate, the second. So why did you
My lord,
cancel the first?
I've got the instruction.
हाँ.
Your lordship may grant 2 weeks time, I file the counter.
यार बोलो ना what is the instruction?
The instruction as per the guideline,
हाँ.
there is a provision that within 15 days, objection has to be called for.
हाँ.
Within 15 days, the code of conduct of the election come up.
ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରେନି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କୋଡ୍ ଅଫ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଇ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସର କି ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧ
କିଛି
ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲିଥିବା ଗୋଟେ ଅନଗୋଇଂ ପ୍ରୋସେସଟାକୁ କେମିତି ତମେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଆଇଲା ବୋଲି ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ କେମିତି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କୋଡରେ ଏଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ ବୋଲି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
I'll satisfy you.
ନା ୟୁ ହାଭ ଟୁ କାଣ୍ଟ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ ମି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଗୋଟେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଯାଉଥିବ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କୋଡ୍ ଅଫ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ସେଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୌଣସି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ବନ୍ଦ ୟୁପିଏସସି ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦିଏ ଓପିଏସସି ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦିଏ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କୋଡ୍ ଅଫ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ବୋଲି ହଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କାମ ଗୁଡା ଯୋଉ ଫିତା କଟା ଯୋଉ ଲଗାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ପ୍ଲାକ୍ ଏଇଗୁଡାକ ବନ୍ଦ ହୁଏ କାହିଁକିନା ସେଟା ସବୁ ନେତା ମାନେ ଯୋଉ କରନ୍ତି ସେଇଗୁଡା ବନ୍ଦ ହୁଏ ବନ୍ଦ ହବ କୋଉ ପାଠରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଆଇଲା ଏଇ ସବୁ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ତା ବାଟରେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ତା ବାଟରେ where is it written
that I'll satisfy. To
yeah
that
you
point,
have to satisfy how does the learned council of the state to clarify as to how the election code the operation of the election code of conduct affects the selection process of Anganwadi eta first dekhibe mate reply apan secretary nije file karibo and the secretary the concerned secretary likh the concerned responsible official shall file a detailed reply to this file a detailed affidavit on it देखिए कोई इलेक्शन आवड़ा कोड हे जी आपनकर
Your lordship may direct opposite party number 2 मिलो collector.
हां कलेक्टर ठीक है कलेक्टर कोड डिस्ट्रिक्ट okay collector Mayurbhanj to file a detailed affidavit regarding the above mentioned okay next
My lord, there is an
list the matter on
Your lords.
Fifth.
May be pardon.
ଆଉ କିଛି ମୁଁ
I am
ଶୁଣୁଛି
intervened. I
ଫାଇଲ
have-
କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଗରୁ
I have filed
ଆରେ
it.
ମୁଁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ଏଲାଉ କରିନି ଏ ଯାଏ
Your lords.
ଟିକେ ୱେଟ କରନ୍ତୁ କାଇଁ ତର ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
My lord, there is an interim order, my lord, that is
ଇଣ୍ଟରମିଡିଏଟ ଟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା
Since 2019, it is.
ଚାଲୁ ନା ସେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା
I have filed a note, sir, brief note, sir, that may be kept on
ଠିକ
record.
ଅଛି ପଛେ ଆସିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସି ସେ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଟା ଫାଇଲ କରୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏ ଯଦି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୋଡ ଅଫ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁ ହେଲେ ଯଦି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଯଦି କଣ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଡ ଅଫ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ରେ then we'll see ଆଉ ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ଆର କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କରିଦେଇଛି your second selection will go he will be the first okay this is the rule next
Item number
My lord,
18.
In this case, the free copy of the order may be.
yeah ठीक है next
18.
18
May I plead lordships? The petitioner being agreed by the discriminatory attitude of the authority has approached
क्या attitude
discriminatory attitude of the authority.
which authority sir
Authority is the OPEPA, my lords.
what is the discriminatory attitude
My lords?
what is the discriminatory attitude
Yes, I am coming to that. Persons having no qualification have been appointed and the petitioner having qualification has been.
what is your qualification
My qualification is 10 graduate
10
and OTT. BA,
graduate means पूरा detail dignitary कौन
BA,
BA
and OTT qualification. OTT. OTT is Orissa teacher eligible
I know
test.
sir I know that.
Yes.
I was sitting this bench for the many months I know that so you have the qualification and you have not been selected okay
So my lords,
on
I
what
have
basis you are saying so
my lords,
on what basis you are saying so
I am saying my lord, I have submitted a written argument para one
no
one.
written argument नहीं document first document
Yes,
ପଛରେ written argument ଆମେ କଣ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ସେଥିରେ ମତେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବେସିସ ରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କଲେନି ଆଉ କମ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇଡ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ସେଟା ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
I shall show it my lords because
yeah that is important
yes,
କହିଦେଲେ ହବନି
yes, my lord,
on which document on,
Yes,
on
my
the
lord.
basis of which document you are saying that you have been ignored at the cost of the people who have secured less mark and they have been selected where is that document
I shall show 3 documents, my document and their document.
yeah
So
first
that
show their document
their documents.
Yes.
My lords, whole difficulties, my lords, which I am not going to tell it, but I am going to tell.
ଆପଣ whole difficulty କହିଲେ
No, I have been
ଆପଣ
suffering.
ଦେଖେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ ଜଣେ
No, no,
କହିବେ
I show it.
ଆପଣ ଏଲିଗେସନ ଆଣିବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୁଫ
No, no,
କରିବାକୁ
I will show it. What has happened? I have been suffering favor from this Saturday.
ଆରେ sir,
Till
ଆପଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତୁ
No.
ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ
yes.
ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆରାମସେ ବସନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା
no,
କି
no,
ବାଟ
But when my lords has
ପାଣି
put-
ଅଛି ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ବସନ୍ତୁ now you should help us ଆପଣ ବସି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ you are suffering of fever you should sit down you tell me where is the document
My lord, at the time of application, the petitioner has not produced the BED document certificate.
which is the document from
My lord, kindly see my counter page 2. my lord.
counter
My lord.
yes
Para 7, my lord.
yes
Page 2.
but any document to that effect
My lord, it is on, he has given an undertaking that is admitted by the petitioner.
undertaking is there
My lord.
where is that
That is admitted, my lord. That petitioner is never objected to that finding. my lord.
okay then
Now she is continuing BED course in Jammu University and the examination already finished, but result will be
ଜାମ୍ମୁ
published.
ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେନି ଜାମ୍ମୁ କେମିତି ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶା once you are ଡେଲି ନ୍ୟୁଜରେ ବାହାରୁଛି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଫେକ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କିନ୍ତୁ ବିଦା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଚେକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆପଣ ପାଇନଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ
ପାଇନଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ undertaking ଦେଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ପରେ ଦେବି ବୋଲି।
ତାପରେ ବି ଦେଲେନି
ଦେଲି ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲେ but in the terms and condition of the advertisement there is no scope for considering such undertaking. Therefore the petitioner has been treated as a untrained candidate.
but you have accepted the undertaking
No, my lord, we have not accepted. That's why the treated has been treated as untrained candidate. If you would have been accepted the undertaking, then trained candidate remain. We are not. And the petitioner, the cutoff mark is 181.617, and the petitioner has obtained 86.36.
Other candidates they all have that B.Ed training.
My lord.
And they are also they have also secured higher mark.
Higher mark. The cutoff mark is 181, my lord.
ଆଉ କେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି sir? Cutoff mark ତ ଆପଣ ତଳେ ଅଛନ୍ତି 81 ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
86.37 ହଉଛି petitioner.
86 ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଉପରେ ଥିଲି ମୋ ତଳ ବାଳକୁ ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆଉ rather ଉଲ୍ଟା କଥା.
I shall show 3 documents.
Show me that document.
Not I'm unable
Show me
to
that.
No, I'm unable to show just now, my lord. Give me little time, else we can affidavit.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବେନି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଟାଇମ ଦଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବେନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲିନି ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କହି ଦଉଛି ଏବେଠୁ.
After my lord says, I'm not giving a reply, but only I shall show reply.
Okay, I'm granting you time. I am not disputing that, but ଆପଣ ଥିଲେ କୋଉଠି ତ ବାହାରନ୍ତା ସାର୍ ଏତେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ କୋଉଠି ତ ବାହାରିଥାନ୍ତା ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିନି ତଥାପି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ ତଳେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ପିଲାମାନେ ହାୟର ମାର୍କ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଅନନେସେସରି ଖାଲି ଫାଇଲ କରି ଆପଣ ଏନ୍ତା ହେଲା ସେମିତି ହେଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନଥାନ୍ତା ନହେଲେ ଏତେ କଲେ ଏଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଭିତରେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ସେମିତି.
All the documents that day I'm sitting.
Okay, you file what about document you want to file? List the matter on 31st. Allah, 31st.
19.
31st is the last chance. যদি যে এদের যে অ্যাবসেন্ট হবে তাটা ডিসমিস করে দিই যদি অ্যাবসেন্ট রইলে ডিসমিস.
Item 19.
নেক্সট ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆସି ପାରିବେନି କାହାକୁ ପଠେଇବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅପସନ ରହିବେନି ଜୁନିୟର ଫିନିୟର କାହାକୁ ପଠେଇକି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ହେଲା. ହଁ I hope you get well soon. Okay. Next.
19.
19, the insurer is the petitioner here. There was the opposite party, number 1, has a vehicle which was set to fire, according to him. And therefore,
You are for the company,
I am for the company.
insurance company.
Yes.
Okay.
He approached the permanent Lok Adalat instead of going to consumer court or instead of going to the any other civil court. He went to the permanent Lok Adalat. The permanent Lok Adalat has directed that the cost of the vehicle should be paid to him. That is annexure 4. Being agreed with that order, I have come.
What was the vehicle?
The vehicle was a car.
Car met with an accident.
No. It was set to fire.
Fire. How? The fire.
He had gone to some festival.
The Trahi Achyuta Nagar. Trahi Achyuta Nagar, Surababa.
Surababa. ସେଠି କିଏ ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେଲା ହେଲା ସୁରବାବା ଯିବେ ସେମିତି.
Stabilize the vehicle of the petitioner.
Okay. So ଆପଣ ତାପରେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ଗାଡି ପୁରା ଜଳିଗଲା.
ଆମ ଗାଡି ବହୁତ ଗାଡି ଜଳିଲା.
ବହୁତ ଗାଡି ଜଳିଲା. ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ଗଲେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କେତେ ସର୍ଭେୟର କେତେ ଏସଏସ୍ କଲା ସେଟା?
No, surveyor could not assess. Surveyor was deputed immediately. He had gone there and he found that the vehicle was totally burnt and even the chassis number is also not visible. Wanted the opposite party to cooperate. He couldn't cooperate. He didn't give any other documents. And the report was after 1 year. After 1 year of the incident, report was given. Therefore, nothing could be traced out.
Oh, wait. ଆପଣ ଯାହାର ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ନେଇକି ଦିଆଯିବନି ରଖି ଦିଆଯିବ ଯାହାର ବାଜିଲା 5,000 rupees cost ଦେବେ bar council କୁ ତାପରେ ଦେବେ.
Your lordship, kindly return back the SIM card. Phone is not necessary. SIM card is very necessary. If your lordship is searching, then kindly return the SIM card.
I'll do that. Phone will no.
Few dates may be relevant.
No, just one. Sir.
Yes.
Suppose there is a car. It is. ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ. Sit down. There is a car burned. somehow burned totally.
Yes.
He didn't get any remnants of that car. Suppose it's totally burned, like his case. So then your surveyor, if doesn't get any chassis number, nothing, then you'll not pay anything.
Provided the identity is established. Provided the identity of the car is
How
established.
can the identity be not established, sir? Jete car can they have?
He himself
So
is.
what are the other modes of establishing the identity? The chassis number paileni, pudigala, joligala, sobigala. What are the other modes of establishing the identity?
But he has to say that his car was there and it was.
How can he not say, sir? He has lost it.
He himself says that number of vehicles were burnt.
But you have not.
How can it be traced out that
You have not helped in tracing it out the car.
and report is after 1 year.
Why did you report it after 1 year?
My lord, car was burned on
Just sir, why did you report after 1 year?
my lord, 1 year. Very several cars are.
Sir, several cars is not the question. Your car is burned. Why, if my car is burned, I should go immediately or after 1 year?
Police was seized the car.
You are just a casual person.
My lord, police was seized the car.
So, our report karibe insurance ko.
Police, I have submitted the
After 1
application.
year.
I have submitted application to
1 year.
insurance.
Sir, how can you get this like this? No court should help you.
My
A
lord,
person who is not vigilant, no court should help.
Apart from all these things, I also raise a question of the jurisdiction of the PLA court to get into these things. Because the PLA court cannot come into the picture so far as these type of cases are concerned, because the provisions of Legal Service Authority Act say under section 19, if a conciliation fails and if it is referred, then only it can be done. Otherwise, how the PLA court will directly enter into these things?
Show me that provision.
Section
Legal
19.
service. Legal service.
Legal Services Authority Act, section 19(5). Those both. Yeah.
So you read it. Read it out. छोड़ दो नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें.
Section 19 deals with organization of Lok Adalats. Subclause 5 says, a Lok Adalat shall have jurisdiction to determine and to arrive at a compromise or settlement between the parties to a dispute in respect of any case pending before.
I don't understand. Nowadays, many local adalats are passing such order कि ये ते दे दियो, ऐसे की पैसा दे दियो, ऐसे की
That's
पैसा
without
दे दियो.
jurisdiction actually.
my lord,
Your lordships are right. Your lordships on the right point.
नहीं. How could, if it is suppose a deficiency of service, you have forum.
Consumer.
You have consumer forum.
Minor section 22A VI of the Act defines that the insurance service is a public utility service. In this regard, I am submitted judgment.
नहीं आपण सेट पढ़ले से जो को सेक्शन पढ़ुଛନ୍ତି ना.
Section 22AB VI of the Act. It's a Legal Service Authority Act.
Roman VI. Roman 6. Roman 6
22 capital A, small b, small VI.
Roman 6 कौन आती VI कौन कोई.
That's only definition clause.
से Roman VI Roman
yes.
6 कोई भी VI कोई भी नहीं. VI का स्कूल छुआ माने कौन थी. और VI कौन कोई. हाँ.
The judgment of Bar Council India versus Union of India. 2012 8.
कौन लिखला है इधर? पढ़ा तू.
Para 22. Chapter VIA inserted by the 2006. Chapter 6A inserted by 2002 Amendment Act in the 1987 Act as it is title suggests provides for a pre-litigation conciliation and settlement procedure.
That is what Mr. Rao was just now telling. That is what he was telling. It presupposes a pre-litigation mediation like this. So where is the question of if suppose no सीधा permanent order दे दो तक I don't know लोग अदालत से मैं किसी order में pass कर चलते थे कि I have to pass in orders. यही तरह का pass करिए ये order यही तरह. This is a good case to pass order. Good order.
The dispute relating to public utility service like a transport service for
Sir
carriage of
dispute
passengers.
पता नहीं कौन को जी pre-litigation, conciliation, mediation, all these things should be there.
Madam.
ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ପାସ୍ କରିବ।
That's the
ଆଉ
difference.
ଆପଣ ସିଧା ପଳେଇଯିବେ ଲାଇକ୍ କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଫୋରମ, ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଫୋରମ ଭଳିଆ ବିହେଭ କରିବ। How can this be? ସେଟା ମାନେ ଦେଖିଲି କୋଉଠି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଯିବେ ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Settlement or a dispute between parties in matter of public utility service in main thing. However, where dispute affect permanent local settlement between parties is not arrived at the avoided delay of adjudication of dispute relating to public utility services. Parliament has conferred power of adjudication upon permanent local adalat.
କଣ ହେଇଛି? upon permanent
Local adalat.
ନା ତା ପୂର୍ବ word ଟା।
Parliament has conferred power of adjudication upon permanent local adalat.
ଏଟା କୋ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପଡିଲେ?
Bar Council of
Give me a
India
copy.
version.
Whatever he has read, the answer is there. He says that one re-local, it fails and it goes to that, then only.
Sir, what about adjudicate? He pronounced, he uttered a word adjudicate.
Right.
So how does adjudicate what
No,
is?
provided it is capable of being initiated there.
Huh?
After it is initiated there, adjudication will go.
Sorry, I couldn't get, understand.
But the initial jurisdiction to entertain a petition should be decided first. If it is capable of being entertained, then if the parties fail to compromise or fail to agree even before that permanent local adalat, then the next authority is it can adjudicate. That there is no quarrel over the proposition. You will also kindly have a look at 19(5) I have read, then 20, section 20, cognizance of cases by local adalats, where in any case referred to in clause 1 of subsection 5 of section 19.
Paragraph 23 লেখছি, the statement of objects and reasons itself spells out the salient features of chapter 6A by bringing in this law the litigation concerning public utility service is short to be nipped in the bud. I repeat, nipped in the bud, by first affording the parties to such dispute an opportunity to settle the dispute. They will have, if that doesn't settle, then they will then adjudicate. Yes. Now
they're the only point.
Okay,
The crux is only there.
so this is
If-
23. I'm keeping this copy, if you don't mind.
The crux is only that. If
So
it can't be
what
settled,
he's saying, was there any settlement talk between the parties?
No.
Nothing.
Yes, my lord.
If there is settlement talk, if there is a settlement
lord.
talk and it fails, then it can go to
My lord, kind of page 15,
50.
para 4
50
of the input order.
50 of the
15.
15.
15,
Page,
para
page,
4.
page.
Page 15.
Okay. Para 15.
Para 4.
Para 4.
The permanent local order concluded conciliation proceeding of settlement of dispute in an independent.
Sir, they have done it.
No, and import
we're
imperial
missing the
manner
point.
and also.
No, I'm not, he's
no,
not
miss-
missing, he's right.
let's not miss the point.
Sir, here
Who
it
has to do
says-
it?
The order itself says.
No,
the
who has to
common
do
law
it?
Conducted conciliation. proceeding
Permanent
for
local
settlement of
adalat.
dispute in an independent and impartial manner.
I quite
And
understand.
also founded
I
on
have read
terms
that.
of-
I have read that paragraph.
Hold
Hold on,
on.
hold on.
Terms of possible settlement of dispute, as there exists element of settlement, it is given to the parties concerned for their observation, but the parties failed to settle the dispute on consent, hence the case was heard on merit. So it has been done, not that he has not done it.
No, this is completely confused. The learned-
Why confused, sir?
I'm
Clear
telling,
cut-
I'm telling,
clear cut
let
what-
me
why
tell,
confused?
madam. Let me tell.
Rather, you are confusing me. Yes.
I am not using
Yes,
that.
yes, yeah,
Let-
yeah,
let- let us try to.
Sir, 4.
Let us try to understand each other.
Yes, I have understood it.
Right. Your
Ah.
lordship will kindly see section 19(5) first.
What 19.5? Section permanent local adalat. ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ପରା ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
A Lok Adalat shall have jurisdiction.
Ah,
A Lok Adalat shall have.
correct. No
This is
dispute
not
of that.
permanent Lok Adalat.
No problem.
This is not permanent Lok Adalat.
Okay, please read it further.
Lok Adalat shall have jurisdiction to determine and to arrive at a compromise or
Correct.
settlement between the parties to a dispute in respect of any case pending before or any matter which is falling within the jurisdiction and is not brought before any court for which Lok Adalat is organized.
Sir, one minute.
Then-
One minute. Here, the permanent Lok Adalat has tried to settle the dispute
I will
between
come
the
to that.
parties.
I will come to that. Let us not.
Ah.
I am not that fast as your lordships can.
No, I'm not fast.
Ah.
I'm just trying to seize the issue closely rather than going to here and there and roaming
No,
around.
no, I understand that. I understand. Section 20. Cognizance by Lok Adalats. I again repeat, Lok Adalat is not permanent Lok Adalat.
Okay.
Lok Adalat can be by arranging anywhere, anywhere.
Correct.
As your lordships have rightly pointed out, it's a pre-Lok Adalat system. Section 20, where in any case referred to in clause 1, subsection 5, which I have read of section 19, the parties thereof agree or one of the parties thereof makes an application to the court for referring the case to the Lok Adalat for settlement, and if such court is prima facie satisfied that there are chances of such a settlement, the court is satisfied that the matter is an appropriate one to be taken cognizance by the Lok Adalat, the court shall refer the case to the Lok Adalat.
Okay.
So this mandatory provision is that if the compromise fails, then either of the parties can ask the matter to be referred to the permanent Lok
So
Adalat.
then what about this paragraph 4?
I'm coming to that, madam. Then it can be referred to the permanent Lok Adalat. Once the permanent Lok Adalat takes over the matter, before taking over the matter, these are the formalities to be
Yes,
completed.
that's correct.
Once he takes over the matter, then he will try for conciliation. If conciliation fails, he has got the jurisdiction for adjudicate.
Yes.
Your lordships are now appreciated.
Now we'll examine those things in the light of your case.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Number
no,
1.
Let's say one more sentence to bridge the gap. Here, my learned friend has contended the Lok Adalat, permanent Lok Adalat, has made an attempt to conciliate, failed, and thereafter adjudicated. That part is not under dispute. The dispute is before it comes to the permanent Lok Adalat, what are the terms to be followed? Section 19(5) has to be followed, section 20 to be followed, thereafter it comes to the permanent Lok Adalat. Once it comes to the permanent Lok Adalat, quite correct. Whatever procedure is taken up, I have nothing to quarrel.
Section 19, what is that? Now let's read it again. Section 19.
Section 19 deals with organization of Lok Adalats. Let me read subclause 1 also. Every state authority or district authority or Supreme Court Legal Services Committee or every High Court Legal Services Committee or as the case may be, Taluk Legal Service Committee may organize Lok Adalats at such intervals and places and for exercising such jurisdiction and for such areas as it thinks fit. Your lordship knows every now and then Lok Adalats are being organized. The section proceeds and subsection 5 is a Lok Adalat, that means they are organized by any organization. A Lok Adalat shall have jurisdiction to determine and to arrive at a compromise or settlement between parties to a dispute in respect of so and so. If it fails, what will happen? It
But
will-
that is what
That's right, what
that's
I'm-
what in the case also, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now we examine this case,
Let us
whether
see.
this case comes under
Let me
this provision or not.
let me complete, sir. This fails. If it fails, what will happen?
But now the question, has it not failed here? It has failed.
Let us not. I am not talking of the
Sir,
failure by the permanent Lok
examining-
Adalat.
Sir, I am examining to the section you have read, I am examining the present case.
No, my lord, this is not the stage. This permanent Lok
What
Adalat
is the
is
stage then?
the permanent Lok Adalat is not the Lok Adalat organized by various organizations. Section 19 speaks
So what
of
is the permanent law that for then?
permanent
Permanent law
the
that
matters which are referred to it.
Huh?
To deal with the matters referred to it.
Who will refer?
Section 20, let's see section
Who will
20.
refer? Who will refer?
That's what I'm saying, section 20.
Who will refer?
I'm saying section 20 is that. Section
Please read
20,
it.
section 20 of
Read,
the
sir.
where in any case referred to in subsection 1, clause 1 of subsection 5, that is which I have read, of section 19, the parties thereof agree. Parties can agree to refer it to the local, permanent law.
Who will refer?
Parties can agree.
Any party can go to there.
Parties, if the parties agree to refer it,
Okay.
then B, one of the parties thereof makes an application to the court
Here
for
it is
referring
done.
the case to Lok Adalat for settlement, and if such court is prima facie satisfied that there are chances of such settlement, or the court is satisfied that the matter is an appropriate one to be taken in cognizance by the Lok Adalat.
Now just pause it for a minute. Pause it for a minute. Now apply this fact of this case with this provision, the provision what we just now read.
These
Now who will refer? Now one party can also approach the permanent Lok Adalat. Here this party has gone or not? This party has gone.
No.
Then why no?
No, I will come to that. I will come to that again. The provision which I am reading is initially a Lok Adalat organized by any of the organization, High Court, Lok Adalat,
Yes, sir,
anybody.
that I am not disputing. Whatever you said, I am with you.
Thereafter,
Only thing, sir, only thing. Then the purpose of permanent Lok Adalat, what is the purpose? What is the purpose of permanent Lok Adalat?
permanent Lok Adalat's purpose is if party.
Every district has one permanent Lok Adalat,
Yeah,
right?
Yes. Permanent Lok Adalat's purpose is if the parties agree for settlement and there are some differences, it can sort out.
Suppose one of the party doesn't agree
For settlement,
then
if there is an element of settlement, there is a plausibility or element of settlement
one
in
party
terms
can
of section
approach.
89 of
One of the parties can
Right.
approach.
Your lordship knows, section 89 of CPC says that where there is an element of settlement between the parties, matters should be referred for alternative disputed redressal forums. This is one such forum. So the same language has been used in section 20A, saying that where there is a possibility of settlement, one party agree, both parties agrees it can go. When one party agrees, other party doesn't agree yet, he files an application saying that there is a possibility of being settled.
Sir, in the permanent Lok Adalat, the answer is they have raised some issue. They have answered it one by one. See, first issue is whether the case is maintainable or not.
Yes.
He
He says it's
admittedly,
maintainable.
Section 22C1 of the Act 1987 stipulates that any party to a dispute relating to public utility service may make an application to the permanent Lok Adalat, and in this case, he has done it. Number one. Number two, issue number two, whether the repudiation of the claim is valid or legal. Number two, answer is the petitioner alleged that even for submission of his claim application and production of relevant documents, the same was repudiated without any basis. Admittedly, neither the petitioner nor the respondent filed copy of the repudiation letter, but it is contended by the respondent that the repudiation of the claim of the applicant was made as there is delay in making the claim of surveyor failed to identify the vehicle. As per the contention of the respondent in the written statement, the repudiation of claim was made due to delay in intimation by the petitioner. But the Insurance Regulatory Authority, IRDA, in their circular dated so directed all life insurance, non-life insurance not to reject claim on purely on technical grounds, which you have done it. Number two. Number three issue. Third issue is whether appellant is entitled to get relief. If so, what to what extent? Number three, in the present case, the insured declared value of rupees 2,78,000 as revealed from the policy document. The copy of the letter written so divisional manager so. So it is a case of total loss, and in such scenario, the company has to pay entire insured declared value to the insured minus the compulsory excess of rupees 1,000. So what is wrong in this order? Rightly gone into the order. What is the problem? Okay, or judgment reject.
So should I make my submissions?
Yes,
Or
please.
should I have asked me a question what's
Yes,
wrong
please.
in the order?
Please.
My submission, first submission is with regard to the issue number 1, the landed, what the permanent Lok Adalat has said that it has got jurisdiction
Yes.
is not correct,
It has
for which I have made my
Okay,
submission.
Fine, next.
One sentence I will say about the maintainability and then close this point.
Okay.
Section 22C, subclass 4 says the statement, additional statement, and they can call for statements, replies. Reply, if any have been filed to the satisfaction of the paramount law of other, it shall conduct conciliation proceedings. That is what's done. The conciliation proceedings referred to in the order is under section 22C4, not under section 20, nor under section 19. My submission therefore is, if the conciliation failed under section 19 and it is referred under section 20, then only it can come to the permanent law.
Next.
Once it comes to the permanent law of again conciliation proceedings.
Next.
This is one point.
Next.
The second point which this is on the maintainability. Then the second point which I'll pay on merits. On merits, you will also find the vehicle was allegedly set to fire.
Just can I take this is not legal point. Just it is just a general point I'm saying. आपण माने त प्रीमियम नै नाले कोथै कोथै सब नै दिबा पूरा प्रति वर्ष रे प्रीमियम नै चली आ पैसा देला काई
वर्ष पर से केतुटा केस दिया हैनी. All right, of the court, how many cases it was not?
because of these people. Everybody is giving premium, sir.
I am just telling the statistics of third party insurance.
हमको ही पता
So for
है.
third party
थोड़ा बहुत
insurance,
ज्ञान रखते हैं ऐसे मत सोचो.
do you have any doubt on that? I don't have any doubt. Now the question, in all cases, you are
Most
not
of the insurance company facing losses because they put in a wrong place. That particular company is suffering loss, because of that you are suffering loss. Not because of your money has not been given by people. No. Okay, you give me a written submission. Okay, I'll finalize it.
No, let me say,
Anything else?
should I complete it?
Okay.
The vehicle was set to fire on 13/1/2000, 13/8, 31/8/2015.
लोग पैसा दोषन दे देवे तो गला है.
No, then if the third point.
Our technicality is जान दो नहीं.
Technical.
Our technicality
It's not
kills
at all
the case.
technical.
That is what killing your case.
It's not at all technical. At least your lordship knows me. I will not get into those technicalities.
अपन ने अपना company.
Yeah.
You means that is not you. Your company.
No, what I am saying
You
is,
are only representing your company.
what I am saying is, assuming that the identity is established and he is the owner of the vehicle and he is liable to be paid.
Just
Then what
good
can-
example. Just assuming there are 100 vehicles there and there are some bomb blast. Suppose Telugu cinema को देखिए आपने देखिए केंद्र एक उड़ी जो बंडा आड़ा उड़ी ऊपर खाली उठियो गाड़ी वाला से जगह रे 100 गाड़ी पूरा
Ram Gopal Verma films.
हाँ most of the Telugu movie masters seen that सेंटिया सिचुएशन देखला ताले क्यों गाड़ी काहको चिनिबे आपण बोले मते चिनि पारिबे गाड़ी और जळी पुडी
नहीं आपण ठीक कथा पचारथिले निज गाड़ी जदि डैमेज हे गला 1 ईयर पर आसीबे निजे गाड़ी जदि गला
आपण 1 ईयर कोन पे लगेले
Kindly see the order.
1 ईयर कोन पे लगेले
There are a law and order situation.
ए लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन
144 was
केते दिन थिला
मास
मासे
तापर गाड़ी सीज कर देछंती
ताले आपण
गाड़ी सीज कर देछंती थाना वाला हम जानि नथुनी
निज गाड़ी का
रखिथिले आपण गाड़ी से
50 60 गाड़ी पड़ी हे जाइतला
तो आपण जानिबेनी
सेठी जिबाको बारी तला पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन रे थिला पूरा आश्रम
योर क्लाइंट इज वेरी वन ऑफ द क्या कुंभकर्ण का औलाद है वो
जदि जनकर गाड़ी आगे होजी गला नेक्स्ट डे ही विल गो टू द पुलिस स्टेशन
चिनेल आपण कहि जेकि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी रे करे मना थोड़ी अछि आपण गाड़ी ना चिनि परले नाही इंश्योरेंस कंपनी तो जेकि क्लेम तो करिवे
म गाड़ी होजी गला बोल तो कोई परतान रे
16 रे गलो 31/8/2015 रे इतला इंसिडेंट हम 20 ना 16 रे
1 year after I am saying 1 year
सर्वेयर पठे
15 रु हले 16 रे कले आपण
31/8/15 हां 20 ना 16 रे कलु तापर सर्वेयर
अरे 1 year पिछला पूरा भागा नहीं बोली जान छिंदी ना ये जो सो गया वो मर गया हां मिलला मिलियो नहीं अब
खोजलु कोडी गाड़ी
खोजिले ना आपण गाड़ी थिला पुडी गला खोजुथिले आपण आपण जान नथिले गाड़ी से थिला बोली गाड़ी चोरी हेतिला आगे हम खोजुथिले बोले आगे अंडरस्टैंड
एमिति पड़ी हे जाईती जेति पड़ी दे
आज्ञा एते आ मु आ चंद्र मारु आसी आज्ञा एठिका लोक मु भी जानि परछि कोन आपण कहउछिदी आपण ए के विश्वास करिवे ए कथाटा गाड़ीटा चोरी हे गेला मु पाइलिनी बरगा खोजुथिली कहले आज्ञा अंडरस्टैंड अच्छा जदी सेठी हे हला आपण पुलिस को रिपोर्ट करथिले पुलिस रिपोर्ट करथिले
पुलिस निज आडू नहीं vehicle
आज्ञा पुलिस रिपोर्ट करथिले कि आपण मु पचरछि आपण पुलिस रिपोर्ट कले कि जदि गाड़ीटा आपण पोड़ी गला जली गला कि कोन आपण पुलिस रिपोर्ट करबिनी कि हजी गला करबिनी आपण पुलिस रिपोर्ट आपण पुलिस रिपोर्ट करथिले सब आपण माने
पुलिस निज आडू सर पेश केस
अरे निज आडू गला आपण
Seizure
देथिले कि आपण देथिले कि आपण कंसर्न सिटीजन हेतांते कंसर्न हेतांते आपण ताले गाड़ी आपण निजर न चोरी चोरी आनथिले चोरी आनथिले आ काई को देलिन ताले कंप्लेंट आपण दिस इज नॉट डन सब खाली इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को दोष देले आपण पार्ट भी देखिबे ना आई शुड डू बोथ द साइड आई एम just not seeing this side only. This side is also wrong.
एक्चुअली सेठी जो गंडोल उठाई थिला
आज्ञा एक्चुअली
से आश्रम रे
आज्ञा आश्रम केड़े बड़ गणेश मणिपुर भलिया तो हिन थिला ना एगोटे छोटिया गुंडिया घटना रे हिथिला मणिपुर फणी दंगा हितांता आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड आपण ये छोटिया बाबा गोटे कोन करदा से छोटिया मोटिया मासे कोन गोटे अंडरस्टैंड तापर बाकी 11 मास कोड सुथिले एंती कोन हबो
तापर आगे एंटायर एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू टा दे दो पई कहउछन्ते हाउ इट विल बी गिवन
आपण गाड़ी रे कोन कंडीशन कोन किसी ए पहले ठीक अछि सेला गोटे ये एवरेज एस्टिमेट करके दिया भी जाए बट आपण व्हाई डिड यू अप्रोच the police station or you have approached the insurance company immediately आपण जाने भी नहीं immediately ओके जा रिटन सबमिशन देवा दे दियंतु यू आर आल्सो एट ए फॉल्ट आपण भी भलो न योर क्लाइंट इज आल्सो एट ए फॉल्ट हला नेक्स्ट आइटम गिव ए रिटन सबमिशन बाय केबे दे 25 जाय देबे हला 25th आस लग जा दिस मैटर 25th फॉर रिटन सबमिशन बोथ द पार्टी गिव द रिटन सबमिशन
सर ओटे बाय द वे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कथा कहउतले
हां यस
0.01% cases end up in courts.
I know that.
1,000 to sir 999 are settled.
I know that, sir. It is also not unknown to me. I know that. But say just settle. That is also I know that. Settle way. Kintu गोटे कथा कहबी मोस्ट ऑफ द सेटल केस रे कौन छै कि बहुत जिनस अछि आपण इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पूरा एक्चुअल लॉस हितो 3 कोटी देबे तापर आपन सर्वेयर मागिबो ताको पैसा एई मु तते 4 कर देबी मते तो केते लगथे ତେଣୁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଗୁଡାକ that's why ଏଇ protection ରେ ରଖା ହେଇଛି collector ଆଉ sub collector protection ରେ ରଖା ହେଇଛି।
Lordship, the appellant court.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର case ଆପଣଙ୍କର what is your case? Adya Shakti.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your case?
Lordship, the present petitioner has been disengaged from his position.
Now
by-
position is fine, but what is the main point of the argument?
Your Lordship, no proper inquiry has been conducted or opportunity has been given to the petitioner to file his grievance, Your Lordship. His
How do you say so?
That on the particular day, on the date 27/7, as afforded by the court below, the petitioner father died. Hence, he was unable to attend the court. So, ex parte order has been issued against him.
Madam, court prepare कर पहले से. Anyway, do one thing. Give him a proper hearing and finish it. Hala?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Give him a fresh hearing. You are not.
Well, it has already been given. Your Lordship, kindly see my counter, page number 4. It is there, my lord.
Koda.
Page number 4, first paragraph, my lord. Counter affidavit.
Page number 4.
Counter affidavit dated 22nd November 2021.
Sir, page number 4 is not letter touch.
Page number 4 of the counter affidavit, not the additional affidavit. Counter affidavit dated 22nd/11/2021. Your Lordship got it?
Yes.
In order to redress the grievance of the villagers of such and such under such and such panchayat of such a district number, and to conduct detailed inquiry into the allegation raised by the villagers of the such and such regarding selling of kerosene at higher price, the project director DLR has issued notice to the present petitioner by such and such appear before him.
ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କିରୋସିନ ଅଧିକ ଦାମରେ ବିକିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ? ସେଥିରେ ମାଲ କମେଇ ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ଛାଡ଼ିବେନି? କିରୋସିନ ରେଟ୍ ଥିବ 20 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ 25 ରେ ବିକୁଥିବେ ବୋଲେ 5 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଫିଟ ଆଉ କେମିତି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ିଦବ? ଆଉ ତାପରେ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ମତେ କାଢିଦେଲେ ବୋଲେ କାଢିବେନି?
Your Lordship, kindly see the annex of B8, B/8 at page 17.
Regarding sending of kerosene higher project, DRD Navranpur had issued notice to the present petitioner to appear before him with necessary time. Sufficient time. The petitioner has been given sufficient opportunity to present his case before the DRDA Navranpur and the DRDA, but the petitioner has failed to. But you have appeared or not appeared?
Not appeared. Your Lordship, on 20, the date was.
Say that but he has failed to.
We have also death certificate.
Appear before the DRDA district grievance redressal officer Navranpur. Hence, the grievance of the petitioner that he was not given sufficient opportunity to put forth his case is misplaced. Full stop. Any other point?
No, Your Lordship.
Oh, that's all? Okay. Hence, no merit. In view of the above, and in violation of the guidelines for the Jugan Act prescribed by the Government of Food and Civil Supply Consumer Welfare Department of Odisha. The present petitioner has acted something detrimental to the PDS system in Badagumunda Gram Panchayat. In view of the facts and circumstances and aberration made by the petitioner is devoid of any merit. the allegation filed by the villagers of the Badagamunda, Sanagamunda and B. Majiguda under Badagamunda Gram Panchayat of Kusammuda block clearly transpired that the villagers had that there is some substance in their complaint and accordingly the DRDA, PD DRDA, Nabarangpur has found them to be true. Inside view of the matter. Dismissed. Next.
23.
23.
I'm for the opposite party, my lord. I bring 2 weeks to file a short reply, my lord.
Okay. Counsel for the opposite party. 2 weeks time to file a short reply. Yeah, for the petitioner. Just the matter. When do you want? Final hearing.
Month end.
10?
Yes.
10th September. 11th
No,
September.
11th.
12th September.
Okay, 12th September. Next.
24.
24. Gangotri.
May I please, ma'am? Petition is a non-government organization, my lord. My lord, he was assigned with work under the NGO PNDT scheme, my lord.
PNDT, okay.
My lord. My lords may kindly come to annexure 4, my lord. My lord, the sanction was for 15 lakhs. 9 lakhs was provided to the petitioner organization. He implemented the scheme successfully. The collector, who is the verifying authority, he verified and given his finding under Annexure 10 that the implementation was made by the NGO successfully. The balance amount 6 lakhs is to be paid in favor of the petitioner organization. That is not paid. Earlier, my lord, the petitioner approached this honorable court. The order, my lord, at page 12. I have quoted the order. Now they have rejected my claim under Annexure 15. Therefore, the repetition. And last occasion, my lords directed the Union of India Council. Mr. Satyabrata Panda is appearing. His name is not reflected in the list. He taken time to file counter, but no count is filed.
Okay. Lord Council for the Union of India, Mr. Satyabrata Panda is directed to file the counter in 2 weeks from today. Failing which it will be treated as he doesn't want to file the counter.
His name may be reflected in the cause
His
list.
name will be reflected in the cause list.
A date.
And state government has nothing to do.
State government is the performer, but only collector has given a finding that he has successfully completed the.
So you are supporting him. The Indian government is not supporting him.
No.
Okay, let him file the. You want to file the reply? You file the reply.
If your lordship will tell them.
Lord Council state also to file the reply. If, within. List the matter on 15 September.
When?
15 September.
Mind.
Next.
25.
25.
Please, my lords. The matter is looking at to release of agricultural subsidy manner.
Agricultural subsidy.
Filed a counter that amount has already been paid.
So to that, I am filing my additional affidavit.
Give me a copy.
With a copy to.
Kindly give me a copy. Let me post it to.
So if you are filing additional affidavit, sir, now you are giving him this. You have given him in advance. You have given him in advance.
Personal is not available.
No, you should have he will go through how will he go
Yes,
through?
yes. Let him go.
What is the additional affidavit about?
Additional affidavit manner, but I beg to say that all the transactions of the government was with the opposite party number 3. Now they have given the reply stating that the subsidy has been released in favor of one Samma Santoshi traders. And on inquiry, it is revealed that the same Santoshi traders is under the proprietorship and it is a subsidiary unit of the opposite party number 3. Therefore, since I have not received the subsidy, I pray that at least the Santoshi engineering may be.
I think there is some confusion. The subsidy amount, this is what happens in these transactions. When the person buys some agricultural equipment.
Sir, I remember that.
Okay.
That person who was there, he is not available. गायब सीन से
No, that amount
the
is
address
actually,
जो address देगी से address भी से
no,
लोग
no,
नहीं
that amount is actually given to the vendor who sells the equipment. Let me just clarify the position to my lords, then kindly agree.
I understand sir, I remember this
So that amount has been paid to the vendor.
vendor तरह से vendor टा यहाँ को जमा करता
Now, vendor, what the vendor will do, will deduct that much amount from
हाँ
the
तो
cost of
ठीक
the.
ना फिर deduct करी नहीं
सेटा कौन तुसे सेटा से कोई
आपने
नहीं
vendor टा deduct करी नहीं
That is what I am submitting my.
vendor deduct करी नहीं आपन कर दी
हाँ,
आपन
तो
पूरा
सेटा
नहीं ची पैसा
It has not been paid.
सब्सिडी जो दवा करता दे दी ये तो था
So
तो
I
vendor
pray-
टा किसी wherever पहले
vendor they have disclosed. And they
कोडी
have
अच्छी से
given-
vendor vendor को आनु ना दी कौन भाई vendor को नोटिस पढ़े थे पड़ा
Sir, ना से आसुन।
असली vendor कोडी अच्छी कौन एड्रेस का
OMP square.
हाँ
OMP square.
देखो
Court
कि
of
किसी
Orissa.
vendor ना करो
I have given the memo.
कहीं कोडी ना डा दिया I'll about NBW against the vendor देखो the mass Santoshi engineering proprietor the vendor in the present case Messrs Mass Santoshi engineering proprietor A address लिखो despite the notice issued by the present by this court has not appeared before this court. Full stop. A last chance is granted to the vendor to appear before this court. Personally, the vendor personally, the proprietor of this organization, personally, proprietor of this so personally, failing which the court will be constrained to pass NBW order and consider pass an order NBW against the vendor. Full stop. List the matter on 28 rest. 28 rest. 29 NBW pass करेंगे. The DCP will be told to arrest him and present here. Yes.
Item number 26.
लकड़ा है एड्रेस अच्छी था
आगे हम दे
एड्रेस अच्छी था पक्का ठीक है फोन नंबर भी अच्छी सब दिया
Phone
है
number
सब
भी
लिखे
लिखे
पूरा डिटेल लिखे जाओ
Item number 26, my lords, if lordship permits, my lord. In this case, I appear for the opposite partner of 3 and 4, my lord. The vigilance authority, my lord.
What is this?
Last occasion,
What is
lordship,
matter?
this pertains to misappropriation of
My lord, in this
panchayat.
matter, I am
Panchayat-
appearing for the petitioner. In this case, what happened? My tenure was only for 14 days.
The lordship,
They are
सर एक से
no,
कौन
no,
executed
lordship,
Oh,
give me- they were directed last occasion to provide me with a complete copy of the writ application. They have not filed. They
why are
wrote-
you not giving copy
And how can I file counter affidavit? I am the main
give a copy sir
responsible.
give a copy
Last
Before
occasion,
I
they-
will give a copy.
if you give a copy then no point arguing plus give a copy then we argue next date we can argue
Short date, short date,
Unless
short date, short date.
we are wasting our
No, only short date may fix.
let's give you 31st as
the
Sir,
copy should be by tomorrow.
27 also same.
31st
My lord, item 26 and 27.
same
Posted to 31st, my lord.
31st
May I pray, my lord, let the copy be short by tomorrow.
By tomorrow I will solve.
आज ही दे दो नाती
No, I
कौन
photocopy. Tomorrow-
फोटो कॉपी के बाहर नहीं की दुकान
Difficulty जो है इतना मतलब ट्रांसफर दे assign matter.
सर असाइन मैटर आपण एटा फोटो कॉपी
दे-
के दे
दे- दे सकता-
देला ये सुधाई जाई
Today दे देम today.
एमे तो दे देबे गला
दे देम,
से नहीं गले से आपण
ना
रिप्लाई
दे
नहीं
देम
केली
निश्चित
करी
शॉर्टर लेवल के लिए.
हां फोटो कॉपी देबे नहीं आ इंटरनेट कंटेक्ट नेक्स्ट
Item number 28.
Lordship, fix it 31st.
31st.
31st
Oblige sir.
ये प्रॉब्लम
Sir?
31st, Lord.
Sir, more time, Lord.
I'll take it later.
मोर टाइम
More time, Lord.
The interim order is there. Lord.
ओके 11th
Lordship.
11 September. 11 September.
Lordship.
11 next
28.
28
This is an August matter. My lord, I will pray for some time to file counter. 3-8 रो matter.
28
Again.
Lord Council states 2 weeks time to file the counter leave the matter on 13th September next
29.
29 is a contempt matter, my lord. I have to file a compliance affidavit. My lord, my
okay Lord Council
instructions are
state to
ticking
file a
time.
compliance affidavit within 1 week list the
Okay.
matter on 29
My lord, 10 days.
ठीक है नहीं हिसाब करो ना जी देखो ना जी
Last occasion also they took
No, no,
took
March,
time.
I admit.
last
No, no, no,
last chance next as a last chance
Item number 30.
नाले cost impose करिए Next, 30th.
losses.
2010 matter.
2010 matter, my lord, last occasion losses directed. Only 1 point to be decided, my lord.
Record file, they're taking some time to look for the records.
Copy ରେ ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆହେଇସାରିଛି।
ତାଙ୍କର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଫିସରୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣିବା କଥା ବିକଜ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ ଏଲାପ୍ସ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି।
Neither they are filed counter yet.
Okay.
You lost.
ଆରେ 2010 ରେ matter କାହାକୁ ଦୋଷ
ସରିଯିବ
ସେ ଏଠି ଥିଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ OIT ରେ ଥିଲା ଏଠୁ ଆସିଛି।
Not a fact, lot of fact.
ଠିକ ଅଛି, let him take some time, 10 days time granted.
Last chance.
This is the matter, as the last chance, 13th, 14th, 18th ରେ ଆସୁ।
ବହୁତ ଡେରି ହେଇଯିବ। ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଜଲ୍ଦି।
18
ପିଲାଟା 35 ପ୍ଲସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ। ତାକୁ 32 ହେଇଗଲାଣି ବୟସ।
Next.
31.
31.
Same, my lord, same, again same thing. 2010 matter. And then case is not the same. My time
You
requirement is the
take
same.
time. Sam order kar. Next.
32.
Say Sam. Yes.
32.
I am appealing for the opposite party, but petitioner last time also urgent getting.
Who is the petitioner?
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
What is the issue?
Your Lordship, the issue is that despite our selection as an Anganwadi worker, subsequently we have been removed from the said post on the ground that we had not provided the correct residential certificate, Your Lordship.
So that's you. I admit that you have not provided.
Your Lordship, that is why another writ application had been filed, and by virtue of that writ application, a proceeding had been initiated against me. And as a result of the proceedings before the sub-collector, Your Lordship, where the order was passed ex parte, Your Lordship. So I am challenging the order of the sub-collector
Now who is continuing there?
Your Lordship, till the time in 2012 as reflected from the counter of the opposite
Now at
party.
present, what is the situation? You have taken instruction, Mr.
There's a counter file already.
No, at present, what is the situation?
No, that I left.
Just check it. Just check it. What is the situation now? 2010, now 12, 13 years. That constitutes state to take instruction regarding the present status of the Anganwadi, the present status of the said the Anganwadi in question. Yeah. And okay, next. Please the on fourth rest. Next.
33.
33. 33.
There is another matter, Your Lordship.
33.
Yes, my lord.
What is the issue?
6257 of 2013, that is posted to 12th. Let both the matter come together.
Okay, in number
6257 2020. 13.
57.
6257 2013.
Okay, let it.
That is coming on 12th.
I connect. Next.
34.
34. 34.
Madam 34.
Nine.
Nahandi.
34 क्या नहीं? None appears for the petitioner at the time of call. The petition was also not available on the last date of listing, that is 18/7/2023. It seems that the petition is not in the person. However, next.
35.
May I have resolution?
My lord, dismiss 30.
Yes.
May I have resolution?
35, 36, my lords, I have parawise comments on the file. My lord, may give me 10 days time, I'll file both cases, I'll file counter.
30?
35 and 36.
36
So parawise comment achi, the draft bhi achi, but somehow the affidavit is not been filed. I'll file it.
1 week time is granted to the state to file the counter, list the matter on 5th September. Next.
So next also same thing, my lord. Exactly same situation.
36 same.
37.
37, my lord, challenge the disenrollment of the petitioner as Anganwadi worker has that has been rejected by the collector filed annexer 7. That the disenrollment made by
on what ground?
On the ground that petitioner has taken bribe from the Mamta beneficiary of rupees 50 only. That is not a
bribe. Is bribe. It is
1 rupee also is bribe.
That is the Supreme Court has stated in many cases. Bribe
He has to.
आपण 50 rupees 1 rupee.
No, allegation is 50 rupees, but is not bribe to the petitioner, has not taken any bribe. It is a fact, and that has not been according to.
Who will decide
And
that?
the,
Fact, sir? Who will decide that you have not taken or taken?
The petitioner
ଆପଣ
has,
କହିଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ମାନିବେ।
the authority will take decision, but
authority
the,
has taken decision.
but they have
Decision, we
not
have taken
given,
decision.
not given any, to adduce his evidence or to, no opportunity, no opportunity was given to the petitioner.
ଆପଣ adduce evidence କୋଉଠି କରିବେ? trial court writ court ରେ थोड़ी evidence adduce
No,
କରିବେ।
it is, as per the scheme, he was given appointment after entering
Yes,
12
in
years
the
of
fine,
service.
but when you are found to be some
May
doing
kindly
something
turn
like
to
this,
annexer 3.
annexer 3 ରେ କଣଟା ଅଛି?
Se ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ beneficiary jo has already been got their benefits.
So
My letter may kindly turn to annexer 3 order.
what do you get from this?
That is at
from annexer 3 ରେ କଣଟା ଆପଣ ମତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
ତାଙ୍କ own order of disengagement, order of the sub collector, annexer 3 at page 25.
ठीक है, I have seen it.
They have stated that the
Then what? Then what? 8 ରେ 3 ଦେଖିଲେ ତା ମାନେ କଣ?
she ନିଜେ admittedly the Mamta beneficiaries has got their benefits.
Sir,
of,
benefit ପାଇଲା ସିନା, but ଆପଣ ନେଇକିରି ଦେଲେ benefit ଟା ସେଇଟା ଆଇଲାନି ନା।
no, not as
table ତଳୁ ନେଇକିରି
honestly speaking, this Anganwadi worker has never taken any money bribe.
Sir,
but what has been done, my lords, may kindly turn to the counter.
Gram Devi of that village.
The counter,
I'll certify.
the counter of the CDPO, my lord, may kindly turn to counter.
Sir, I'm not going to all these things.
My lord, even despite the interim order,
interim order,
he has given appointment and then filed by concealing that appointment to another person, has filed the counter by not disclosing the fact. Only given the annexation in the counter, only the representation some people of the locality.
Crux.
But what steps he has taken has not been
I
disclosed.
am not as a read code. I am not supposed to go do all these things. There is a truth, not untruth on the thing.
Principle of natural justice, my lord, court decisions is there. Of the Hon'Ble court decision, my lord, the division bench decision. My lord,
2020 ର matter.
My lord, what happened?
Who is now on news?
My lord, despite the Hon'Ble court order, this matter has not been come up for the last 3 years, my lord. My lord, they can turn to.
That is a different.
21/20 ରେ my lord order kale list it in the caption of fresh admission. That has not been come.
technical
କାହିଁକି pending ରହିଛି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି।
ନାଇଁ କିଛି pending ନାହିଁ।
ମାନେ pending ଅଛି, the registry has not listed it.
Okay, order is up. Next item. Next item. Chalo.
39.
You give your.
So far the principle of natural justice, I am giving the decision of this.
ସେଟା decision କଣ ଦରକାର?
Collector has not, my lord, the annexer 7 has not been given also.
Okay, please give me the note. Please give me your note, sir.
But the representation that is
give me your note.
An order to file an appeal, but the appeal has not been registered by the collector and rejected by saying it is a representation. Annexer 7. My lords may see.
Next.
39.
39, my lord, on behalf of Mr. P.R. Chatoi, he is appearing for OP number 7. He is suffering from fever, my lord, last 2 days. I pray any other day.
Okay, 14th September. Next.
Interim order may be extended. Interim order is there.
Okay, interim order. Next.
Diplo.
40.
Item 41.
41.
May,
41.
May I please, my lord? I have prepared a date chart and with the events.
What is the issue, sir?
Issue is that I was continuing as the Anganwadi worker after being selected, and on dated 26/4/2023, I have been terminated by the sub-collector Cuttack on the grounds that my selection procedure was not proper because I have not mentioned the marital status, number 1. Number 2 is that the residence certificate which I had provided, that is beyond 6 months earlier. That is the 2 grounds.
Beyond 6 months is not a problem.
My lord,
within 6 months from the date of advertisement, that is the precondition.
That was there in the advertisement.
ସବୁ advertisement ରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ପୁରୁଣା 2013 ର।
ତାପରେ
that is the 2 grounds, my lord. On that grounds, I have been terminated.
So what is your defense to this grounds?
My lord, kindly have a glance to running page 15. Subclause 12.
15.
आवेदन कारिणी 12 number point. आवेदनकारिणी किंबा जनसाधारणଙ୍କର ଯଦି କୌଣସି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥୀଙ୍କର ସ୍ଥାୟୀ ବାସିନ୍ଦା ଶିକ୍ଷାଗତ ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ଜାତିଗତ ପ୍ରମାଣପତ୍ର ଉପରେ ଆପତ୍ତି ଅଭିଯୋଗ ଥାଏ ତେବେ ତାହା ଲିଖିତ ଆକାରରେ ନିମ୍ନ ସ୍ୱାକ୍ଷରକାରୀଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଧାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ତାରିଖ 31/8/17 ମଧ୍ୟରେ
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଦେଲେନି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଏ objection କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି. So far the opposite party 7 is concerned, he has objected, my lord, that is running page 19. That is after 21/12/2017, long after that.
अच्छा गोटे मंच कर देबो जदि धरंतु सेही जो पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्शन पीरियड जने ऑब्जेक्शन न कला
ताले ग्रहण
पछे
करा
जଣା पड़ला जे नहीं ये लोग एक्चुअली कि फर्जी करी करछि इज इट डिमांड टू रेज कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट यू
मो शॉर्ट नोट रे गोटे जजमेंट देइची ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ଙ୍କର डिवीजन बेंच रो से कहउचंती सेथरे लास्ट पेज टा मो से शॉर्ट नोट रो होची से जेहेतु रेस्पोंडेंट्स नंबर 5 whose appointment Anganwadi worker was successfully challenged in the petition, out of which the present appeal arises, he has been continuing as since 2014 for more than 8 years. The court would not, in the circumstances, disturb the.
But you are in this case you are not continuing.
Yes, I am continuing.
Your case,
There is a stay order of this.
how many years
I am in 2000. My appointment is since 2017. 17, my lord.
2017
my lord.
7 वर्ष 6 वर्ष
6 वर्ष हेलानी.
काई कंटिन्यू दिस कंटिन्यू कर
Obliged, my lord.
से ऑर्डर दे से ऑर्डर हम पास
अच्छी मुझे लागी लास्ट पेज रे देइछ लास्ट पेज रे देइछ
जोड़ा लंबा केस रे से क्या करो ना
नहीं जेन्युइन केस रे
एटा डेट चार्ट सह लास्ट पेज टा ऑर्डर पे अछि डीपली obliged.
नहीं से चीफ जस्टिस ऑर्डर दे
हां से पछरे पूरा लास्ट
ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस एंड ऑनरेबल जस्टिस सीआर दास.
नेक्स्ट
43
43 next
43
appearing on behalf of my learned senior Mr. S.S. Rao, due to some personal difficulty, he has just left the court, my lords, for the opposite party.
okay
His
so
matter will be placed,
okay list the matter on 40
my lords.
next
Grateful.
44
44
45 by tomorrow I'll for copy to TPSODL. Let it come a week after.
नहीं नहीं की ये नुआ पार्टी
No party.
he has made party
No.
Challenge.
South Co was there by that time.
but he has he changed that nomenclature
I'll change. I'm for the petition in this case.
oh you are the petition that was the petitioner to change the name of the party which has already been undergone some changes and find a press memo party next
Same.
along with the constitutional
Both 44, 45.
the first idea. Next
46
46 46 non-appears 46
no 45
on earlier occasion also on 3/8/2015 non-appear for the petitioner. Again on 24/8/2015 non-appears for the petitioner. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Dismiss for non-prosecution. Next
47
Last occasion, your lordship directed the OP number 4, 5, and 6 to file their counter and the details of their medical license, and also directed the opposite party state to get their criminal antecedent.
I have
what is the issue about?
My lord, due to medical negligence and having no ICU and license is also not
Have you
there.
got that?
ମୋତେ ଖାଲି କହିଥିଲି ଯୋଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ
ଅଛି
ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି
ଅଛି
ସେ ଏଇ କେସ ର ଖାଲି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଏଇ କେସ ରେ ଯାହା ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ଆଗରୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ଆଫ୍ଟର କମ୍ପ୍ଲିସନ ଅଫ ଦି ଫାଇନାଲ
I am for the hospital, not hospital, my lord. I am for the doctors, my lord. OP4 and
Who for
5.
the hospital? Who is for the hospital?
Hospital here, they have not made the party to
No,
the
hospital के party बनी नहीं किंदी
ନା hospital କରୁଛୁ ନା
for
ତାଙ୍କର ଯିଏ
civil nursing home party in my lord.
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯିଏ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ତାଙ୍କୁ କରୁଛୁ ପକ୍ଷେ
ना hospital through managing director करिए ना
ସେଇଟା my lord party करना थी civil nursing home party Doctor
ଆପଣ
को in
ଗୋଟେ କାମ
person
କର-
party କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
No, no, no. Hospital through managing
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
director. ତାକୁ party କରିଦେବି. Land council petition to make the hospital as a
ଏଇଟା
party.
proper hospital ନୁହେଁ।
Has managing director କୁ through managing director କରିଦେବେ ଗଲା ଆଉ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା। Correct, ଆମେ will make appropriate correction.
Land council petition to file the corrected memo and list the matter on 24th. 24th.
Also let them file counter also.
You have not filed it.
No, my lord, for the some
So
time.
then
you
I am
give-
giving some more time. 30th Ras.
Okay.
48. 48. 48.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, your Lordship.
Sir, IRD, why do you make IRD as a party? IRD रे की काम?
Yeah, all সেটা delete
Why?
হয়ে গেছে।
Why
সেটা
IRD
delete-
is a party? Apollo Hospital कले IRD को party कम में
Opposite partner one
What is the again medical negligence?
medical negligence, my lord.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
Copy ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Yes, my lord. Today
Give a copy. Land
today
council
I'll
petitioner to give a copy to the council for the you are for IRD?
No, I am for the Tata AA.
Huh?
Tata AA 2 and 3.
Tata is thank you. Copy to दियନ୍ତୁ।
today I'll solve.
Okay, land council petitioner to supply copy and the Tata is. Why IRD के सीधा party बने तो मैं जान पाऊँ। कौन
No, no.
You just change the nomenclature.
Yes, yes,
Change
yes,
it.
yes, my lord.
Land council petitioner to change the member parties and make the appropriate party. Make the Tata AIG is there, but next.
49.
49.
My lord, in this case, I have filed rejoinder on 18/8, and your lordship may take up the matter along with the rejoinder any day, tomorrow, day after. As your
Okay,
lordship.
land council. Who is for the petitioner?
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Oh, are you respondent?
Respondent to state is
State. What is your?
ଆମେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ we have already filed counter
So
region.
let's
ସେ
hear the
ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ପାଇଁ ଟାଇମ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
Okay, you file rejoinder and list the
Rejoinder I
matter.
have already filed on 18/8.
ତାହେଲେ ମତେ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Final hearing पर रखी दो ताला एक तारीख से।
My lord,
1 तारीख।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ठीक है ना? Next.
Item 50.
50.
କମ୍ ଦେଖ
What is the matter?
ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ରେକର୍ଡଟା ନାହିଁ
On that.
ଏଇଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ occasion Mr. probably Panigrahi my learning senior Mr. Panigrahi was there probably the file was not with me my office noting is file is with Mr. Panigrahi
ठीक है। When do you want?
next week ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ date ଏଇ Friday next coming week ରେ ସେ ସୋମବାର ରଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Okay, 28. नहीं 31st है। 31st.
ଅଲେ ନା
31st. ठीक है। ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଥିଲେ?
Well, item 37 ରେ both discretionary order and also appeal not been registered.
ଆପଣ ମତେ ନୋଟ ଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରଖିଛି ନୋଟ ଟେ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା। ଯାହା ଯାହା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ just give a short note.
Yes.
Will save. ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ?
No, no.
ଖାଲି
I have been out from the service illegally.
କେବେ?
Illegally from 2020.
ଏବେ କିଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କିଏ?
ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି without getting leave of this court, my lord, after notice.
After notice leave of the court ଗୋଟେ ଦରକାର ଥିଲା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କି?
ନାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି କିନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଥିଲେ if any but he has concealed the
no
appointment of
court ରେ just ଗୋଟେ
no,
matter
my lord, but
ପଡିଛି।
while she filed the counter by the CTPO,
Well,
she has concealed the matter regarding the engagement of another person in your place.
File a note.
Yes, okay.
ନହେଲେ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅ, ଆଉଥରେ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅ। Tuesday ଆଡେ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅ।
Yes, my lord.